and praise the Lord.
Yeah. Our. We up in that place, people. We up in that place as usual. What I don't know is that the proper mix up and blender sitting. And it's all about a old school Thursday. Well, I mean, Miss Cherry Washbelly, the king of mix-up in the place. Ragashanti is my name. Alongside the big bad DJ, Chris Gross. I want to big up to the producer, Ruth the Cutie. In I want to call her the Richie. You wrong somebody fast, because you know. I want to call her Blouser. I want to call her, that name off. You see it again? Them always have to put an adjective before the color. Them can't just say the color, you know. You hear what she say? Rose pink. Can't just pink, you know. You have to make distinctions because you have a range of pinks. Big up your pink. Your rose pink. Proper. Rose to the cutie in a rose pink blood. I don't know, that look like rose to you? That look like rose pink? No, sir. You ever see any rose with that color? No, but that is red rose. Hello? That's right. She said, you never, but may I ask you?
That's why I said rose, not red.
You ever see a rose in that color there?
That look more purplish.
Yeah, they look close to purple. No, probably she don't know. We must not assume that them always right, you know, through them no color more than we. Yeah, yeah, them because sometimes them fufu too, you know. And them don't know for them color too, you know. Richard Rainford in the building, and thing, and I owe that, Patty Belly!
I'm early.
What is? Tie up something. Okay, no, well, you don't know, we're not to drink from people. It cannot, no, it's not supposed to be in the studio for the record here. So take it out. All right then, good. We can't have it in our studio. Yeah, man, Patty Belly there. I want to blow. Okay. All right, you good? My girl, calm yourself, no, man. Calm yourself. Go easy, man. I want him to have.
Somebody had glucose this morning.
Yeah. It's like she had too much coffee, yo. Okay. Big up Johnny on the TV. Wait a minute. We need to link him right now. He might eat food or not. Big up Devon because I can't selfish I do it today, but him cook dumpling. Yeah. Because I don't know what I mean, it's a dumpling, no? All right, flour dumpling. It's time I flour and caramel. All right, crisscross, flour or caramel dumpling, which one you prefer?
Flour,
Mr. Michelle, flour or caramel dumpling?
Cornmeal.
Ruth, flour or caramel dumpling, which one you prefer? Cornmeal. Richie, flour or caramel dumpling? Flour. A flour, I say straight. And the man that tell you about flour buying you and make you something you can't stand up. They never tell you that? You never hear that yet?
No.
You never hear that one day? Yeah. Them tell me the flour buying you and make you something you can't stand up. If you eat too much flour dumpling, you will get blockages. What that? What? What is?
I know it will buy you, but the
flour will buy you.
Like dumpling on a whole.
Yeah, you believe
Yeah,
that?
because I know it happened to somebody already. Because them love dumpling too much. Them that forget.
And then them couldn't go to the bathroom.
Them that forget a break, man.
So dumpling cause blockages.
I look at 2 month break, you know.
Constant constipation.
What? Yeah, I can't manage. And we used to mix up and we're there for talk up the things them and rinse up the different things them. Don't remember what we're there on. In-law mix up a sunny thing set, yeah? And we're going to shut out the signal today. Okay, people, it's about 8 minutes to 2 o'clock. It's a good time for...
Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, anything can go on. Okay, we're in Malaysia. In Malaysia, burglar falls asleep on the job. Burglar falls asleep on the job. A thief, somebody who broke house, drop asleep when him a thief. Make we read the mix-up. A burglar broke into a house in Malaysia to steal watches and jewelry, then fell asleep with his loot on the owner's sofa. When the owners returned to their home in northern Penang State on Saturday, they were shocked to find the living room in a mess and a man napping upstairs. The loot was worth some £2,047. The burglar woke up and escaped through a window, but was arrested nearby. The 42-year-old man has not yet been charged. Gang Kong Meng, a Penang district police chief, confirmed the incident. He said the family was returning from a holiday, but did not immediately give more detail. So that brother I go for broke house. Broke in at the people in house. Rants at the people in house. Thief went for thief, pack up him back and everything. And somehow, decide say, John, bed they look kind of comfortable, you know. You know, a whole of 5, you know. A whole of 5. Yeah, I should have a baby with an alarm clock. I want to him. No, I want to him. Oh, you forgot sleep with your teeth. Oh, you forgot. Eh? Where is Emily? Eh? Eh? What? No, oh, you forgot to sleep with your teeth. Yeah, them for all that and beat.
Babe, so it was a pillow top. Well, comfortable.
Yeah, the bed must do that shot.
Pillow top.
Pillow top bed,
Yeah.
proper bed. Who knows, you know? You know, I probably could all though. He probably could all pack up the loot, you know. And I'll sight all the expensive watch cross, you know, the bed. And decide to him a crawl across the bed. I want him start crawling, him just...
Get way nice.
You know, so I'm mad at that.
Eh?
I'm mad idea if you add that.
If you add down. No, for real, if you advertise a bed down.
Yeah,
like a man, I broke a house, and when him go to boom and see a watch, and him go to real, and start go across the bed now, like him a crawl across the bed for go hold the watch, and when the bed hold him and hold him clot and the softness. Him just melt up in that show. Just melt up. I could have that reach him, you know. Him could have sit down, look a bit and say him a full out the back. I know when I sit down at the edge of the bed and sit down, when him sit down, him say, oh Lord have mercy. No, sir. Now it would be a crack. Him probably there want the bed. But couldn't you cut to the bed and just say, I hear me? You see through the bed, shell down. I had a new Talker road. You see through the bed that cost be a bad road. You understand? The bed is shell down and it sell off and it turn up. Man say, yo, I have a whole of 5 in this. Principle is principle. You can't see good bed and a whole of 5 in it. And go so, bam. Hey, but serious doing it, and I lie doing it. You see a good bed. A good bed, hard to forget about it, you know.
A good bed we had here.
Good bed. So it's a Sealy, a good bed.
Sealy posture.
Steel. Yeah, you know that, hey, that name they just set in a Jamaica, do you know.
I name alone.
Sealy posturepedic.
Name alone just sketch up.
You know, it just institutionalized in a deep way. When you talk to people about proper bed, the first thing them start bring up, oh, like a Sealy posturepedic.
You know what I say? I saw enough products code go.
Yeah.
Like my man say, get the new phone. The MK3456. You know,
No,
John,
no, me notice say Uno do it.
Yeah.
You and Emily do it.
Wow.
Them don't talk about phone. It's just BlackBerry me them talk about whatever. You know, but them don't talk about phone by like the phone name. Yeah, man, them say you get the 8212.
Or the 8520.
Yeah, I saw them talk. Me no know when them are giving all them number. I'm not going like couldn't work down on Uno the inventory. You understand? You can't understand. But
we say rim and a rim say we.
You see, and everybody knows a rim make BlackBerry do. So you see you're gone there too, you know. I have to be careful because if you say we say rim. Yo, talk for yourself, man. Yeah, because you're a woman, you know. And a Jamaica with it. So me a man, me not say rim. You say rim. You understand? And we know why you say rim. Because you're a woman. So you can't, nobody come wee up the thing right there. So, but we say rim.
We say brim.
We say brim. Yeah, because we say full it up. I wake up in this moment, yeah. Okay, people, so there you have it. I'm up in Malaysia. A man a broke a house and a thief the people them things. And just get a bag of sitting, watch and jewelry and crazy sitting. Crazy loot him get. You see it? And but you know see what them say I say now? Well on there. Because I not in the bed them find him. I not bed them find when the owner living room in a mess and a man napping upstairs. The man a nap upstairs. But it said the burglar broke into a house in Malaysia to steal watches and jewelry, then fell asleep with his loot on the owner's sofa. You know see what happened? He left the loot on the sofa and walk go upstairs go sleep, you know. Oh God, he might work hard. No, I'm tired, man. I'm tired.
And everybody can work graveyard shift.
For real.
And everybody can manage it.
No, well, you know what? I'm feel like this. I'm going to teach Sunday school.
Yeah, man, you man not cool.
Yo, I'm going to teach Sunday school. You can't leave all the whole of your load downstairs on the sofa and then walk go upstairs to the bed. You don't even try to cut it on the sofa right beside the load. You might go like a female, see. My brother, you have to go make muffins or something, man. If you go work at bakery.
You need a coloring book.
Yeah, you need a coloring book or something. You go plant cabbage or something. You understand? This is enough for you, Papa. You see, them are hustling thing enough for you. Them are gangster thing and them are hustling thing enough for you. Okay. That was...
Believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
We need two people in our ghetto debate today, you know, right? One person I defend the stance that it is okay for a woman get 8 dumpling and a man get 4 when dinner share. And the next person go and say, no, you have to make an argument and defend the thing and say, yo, it's absolutely wrong or disrespect. Disrespect for a woman I get 8 dumpling and a man only I get 4. It say it not right, it not right, it not right. Road, always stay. Johnny, I so want to talk to you about something. Always stay, Road, always stay. We have 2 call here. Eh? Okay, call him back right now. Road, I line it up. In the meantime, Johnny, I just want you come just say, like a little, just touch your mic and talk. I don't know if I'm going to see you tomorrow and talk to the people and because you remember the Mixup team, you know, and you have your own show and sitting, but, you know, tomorrow is the last show for the year, so but just give people in my ear for me and just
It's love. What go baby?
No.
See, fucking that. So,
oh,
see that?
yo, turn down Johnny Mike, you're blind. Yeah,
Turn down my mic.
Yeah,
Me did not hear myself.
yeah.
Me say, what belly? Yeah. We say belly. 2011. No. Ragashanti knows how we say belly 2011.
Well,
Status belly.
no, talk for yourself.
No, my status belly.
No, I'm going to bring down my
Me
belly.
shame. Raga, me see myself on TV the other day. She like one green shirt. Me say the shirt button, them I say, let me go. Raga, the shirt button, them I say, free me.
No, I don't know the shirt button. The shirt button I say, we want freedom. We want free. You remember Amistad? We want free.
Me say, trust me.
Yeah.
Me say, I saw the shirt button, them so like Desmond McKenzie, I cry out for WikiLeaks. Free me.
Turn me loose.
Turn me loose.
Let me go.
But Raga, you up now. Raga, I just want to tell Tambourine family, nationwide family, thank you very much for the support and love.
Yeah.
A whole heap of things go down December.
Lord God, man. We know,
You know what I mean?
We know, Papa. We know.
Them too are stressy.
Yeah, we know.
But the people, I tell you, some people reach out to me. Internet is crazy.
Yeah.
And Raga, I tell you the truth. This is for your mention it, Reggie.
Yeah.
The minute you say, cause, and I'm tell you already.
Yeah.
I just turn on the radio.
Yeah.
And it can't full of my family. It's
Yeah.
like a moment.
Yeah.
And everybody silent because you start talking about it and you start talking about me conversation.
Yeah, the day before.
Thank you for letting out me a conversation. I didn't think me a conversation was for me and you.
Well,
But I figure it's you me I talk to. No, the prince.
No,
the
Johnny.
Prince forgot.
Johnny, don't go on like say there's certain things when I know I'm here. I know me hold on the thing.
Raga!
Johnny, let me talk
Are you getting your thick skin,
No, Johnny. No, Johnny, what me
Are
I
you getting
say?
thick skin, man?
Was I also saying is that
What you saying, man?
you know some have a secret for you?
Raga likewise. I'm here the prince. I don't even have my
No,
secret.
you don't have no secret.
Not my ammunition.
No, me have
I
fire.
don't look at me that tour, Raga.
Hold on.
Raga. Don't
Tour.
be shit with that. Your tambourine feel,
tour.
Raga. I don't look at me that tour.
At the tour,
I don't
then.
look at me that Jim Screech.
At the tour, you
I don't look at me that Jim Screech.
You see Cynthia mentioned the tour.
I don't look at me that
Hold on, Johnny. You see Cynthia go up on the tour.
Remember, say me I get married.
Me nah say nothing.
So my tambourine family, Ragashanti, supporters them, real people them.
See
and
that.
them me I talk to, you know what I mean? People like, it's like Archie Reed. She represent the theatre fraternity still, because I know say enough people did that work.
Yeah.
And it's a thing people feel understand. So people who never did there, things like nine that not feel no way, because I understand that. People that work.
Yeah.
Real people come to me and say, yo, me that work, and you don't. Me understand that the season.
Yes, it.
I just unfortunate. It's a shock to them, a shock to me, a shock to nobody.
Yeah.
So no feel no way, man. I just love, man.
And we just want to say, on behalf of the Tambourine family and the Mixup and Blenda crew, we just want to say, just more strength to you and your family and thing, and condolences for what you have to go through in the festive season and thing and whatever. But who know the plans of whoever the Almighty is and so forth. And we give thanks still, so you're still there. Big up your brother and your relative.
Mad Kitty.
Who come down and hold it. And
Kitty, mad now. Hear the mix up now. Kitty come down here with a PR card. We expire from Canada. A permanent resident expire. He must fly down. Because the people must say, don't go, you have to straighten. Kitty said my sister, mother, they must explain.
So him get for go back up?
Then I must go back up.
Okay.
So,
no, but just I say, if him never get for the
next day for him reach.
You know it's a car, we are going to make phone call.
No, him mad. He's a man.
The links line.
For him walking him to the security. For him, why tell him I talk to somebody,
Yeah.
Him say, yo, but come up for my papers. Security said on me, him said, my papers, my wife, yeah. The security said, no, cell phone.
Sister drop out and him say,
yeah,
half a day.
Straight, and that's what they want. Yeah, man.
Now, we just want to say blessings from the family and we just wish you more love. And we know say some joyous occasions are forthcoming.
Yes, sir.
So we give thanks for that.
Give thanks for that.
We await the new youth.
Yes.
And thing, and I want to know that's an inspiration to me.
Yeah. I hope so. I've been trying. I've been trying a long time.
No, don't say it that way, man. Don't say.
Trying to inspire.
Johnny, don't appreciate, man. Don't appreciate. But I want to say it's an inspiration to me. You're gone tree, so
yeah,
your tree is an inspiration for me. If you think about one. So. Big respect to the youth to have father. And then also the wedding.
Yes.
And so forth. So
that's going to be beautiful.
Why, man, I tell you.
Big up to Sophie.
And the creativity that is in the wedding invitation.
Yeah.
If that's indicative of what's to occur at the wedding.
You know what I'm saying?
Then we're in for a
you know what I'm saying?
Don't say a
well, that's why the people know. That nice and little and spicy.
Yeah,
you don't know
the
thing.
Yeah.
Nice and
Johnny,
spicy.
All the best.
Respect
on behalf of the Tambourine family.
Look here.
And the Blenda crew.
Listen, me Mixup and Blenda did mad. That man tell you Ragashanti.
Yes,
mad show.
It is shot.
Crazy shot.
Like
wow. Me go home. What if I questions to answer when I reach home?
Right.
You know the things
right.
already.
Them understand.
Because things pop out from me and tear
pop out from me.
All kind of
things. So want to know all your clothes.
Yeah.
So you just tell them say the woman in Russia.
Yeah. Smells like crazy. You know.
Yeah.
Smell like confused.
Oh yeah, I know. Me that go say something I'm forget, so I try play it off.
Yeah, it's alright.
And it not really.
I take a message. Old school, no?
Yeah?
Old school.
Old school too.
Yeah, just a look at me.
No, real quick. One last thing.
Yeah.
Me and your boss are DJ today.
Ma!
Richie, you see that rhythm there?
Ma!
Me want to follow back
at
with that rhythm. No, Richie, not now. Tomorrow.
Yes, I read him.
Yeah, no, man.
Yeah, man.
Hey, you see that card where you drive for Portmore Empire? Hey, me never get it for a second, you know. For a second, me never.
Yeah.
Me say, you never hear what him say.
No.
And people, Johnny a comedian, so we don't want nobody get it twisted.
No.
Johnny say, yo, with a name like Black Rhino, you must get through out because I'm a black at work right this way. Say, Rhino never bleach.
Rhino never bleach. My Vibes Carter say, yo, hear me now, the building white. Me a moose with my skin. The whole way I move, sir.
What you name Black Rhino for?
White Rhino, me say you not work with it. You not work with it.
Cake Soap Rhino.
Take what you said.
Cake Soap Rhino. That's what I'm
Cake Soap Rhino.
Yeah, man. You understand? But anyway, a blessing.
I'm mad, sinner.
We are going to shut a little get to the beat right now.
Mad, get up. Yeah, me listen.
Yeah. Big up Johnny in the building and thing or whatever. But we have a get to the beat right now. And we have two people in route. All right then. Bring in the first person, you know. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, greetings. What is your name, if you don't mind? Hello?
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah. Which side you going to defend, you know?
Me?
Yeah, which side you going to defend?
Yeah, me and the man, I defend the part where saying woman have to eat dumpling, isn't me?
You are defend the side where say no woman must get 8 dumpling and a man get 4 dumpling.
Yeah.
Right, and the part that you're going to defend, because you're going to say that slackness and disrespect. All right, hold on, you know. Bring in the next caller now. Wait, what's your name again, Bossy?
Carl, man.
Carl, all right, bring in the next caller. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello. Turn that down, Richie. Focus, you know. Turn that down. Yes, what's your name, darling? Karen. Yes. You are going to defend the side where say it is okay for a woman get 8 dumpling and a man get 4 dumpling. You're going to say nothing wrong with it, right?
Nothing wrong with that.
All right, Karen. We want you kick it off first. Make your first talk right now. Talk up the things, Karen. Oh.
Sometimes
no, you talk to him. talk to the who you debate with, you know. Him name Carl. So talk up to Carl right now. Yeah.
William Carl?
I call him name, yeah. Yeah.
Woman to eat dumpling and man to eat food because sometimes the woman them provide and the woman find food. Literally speaking, last time I woman eat dumpling, but literally speaking that she provides that she to get more food than the man. Sometimes I have some worthless man who sit down a yard now do not. Then for me I'm like, so what after them should get more, but what I am the whole 12 of it.
And that's just a topic.
Well, Karen, make him talk now. Carl, answer.
Karen, never because you in the kitchen, that's what I eat dumpling. You see me, I say that not right. And if some marble size I eat, doesn't it? If I some marble size that good, right? I know.
Spinners.
I carrot with some calm, you understand? Yeah, you know, you don't understand. You don't understand. If a woman a provider, a woman like to put away every day. And I'm like, no, that's not right. You know, right now, I hear me. Woman of eat enough, man to eat enough. Come on, some solar thing. Yeah, some dumpling and yeah, man, dashing and thing. Right now, you some kids, some food dumpling,
1 hour. Carl, talk to her about the craver part. Karen, talk to her about the craver part, the car.
Yeah, a craver, but she want to eat dumpling. Since she could have sit over my here, we eat dumpling and me have 4. Right to I tell her, look, now, by the time she look, our 4 fear gone on my plate.
All right, answer him now, Karen.
Enough man want to eat. Enough food is enough man want to eat. Enough man want them
Carl,
enough man let woman eat. So I tell nothing. So I tell the man them want to put dumpling and them woman eat. No.
Karen. Carl say crave now. Long your belly long. Answer.
Right now. Carl, you may have seen right now, I'm going to close the mouth and feed you, because you're too crave when you eat too much. You eat too much. Yeah. If you take up on the eating, right now, you go too hard.
Well, Carl, I could hear what she have to say. She have a good answer for that. Yeah. Karen, talk up.
I crave no woman and craving. Not woman like I know enough woman to crave now. Woman time to crave now. Woman time now. And that woman time with the man to go park up now. The man them for me and 4 don't play. I love that for them for me and 1.
All right. Well, Karen, make Carl talk now. Talk again, Carl.
Listen to me. I don't want to think white out like I do with the cake, so I want to be with calming. I want to mix up with calming. You understand? I don't want to mix up the thing. I want to some calming dumpling, some big one. If it's some catty in the downtown, or them big, or some more my one big. Yeah. Because you have about 8 dumplings and you eat 4. You're not talking about a store. I'm Ph.D. Go easy, man. That's all right. Why can I watch people food free your body? Because I have people to take care of breastfeeding. Yeah. No, I'm not at the time. They don't tell you know, so you have people to feed that different.
All right. Hear the plan right now. Hear the plan. Okay, Karen, we're going to give you 30 seconds to make your final talk on it. And we want you to talk up and rinse up. And then, Carl, you're going to get your 30 seconds to make your final talk on it. But watch out now. I want you to seal the deal right now. I want you to talk up some shit now. Rinse out the things without apology. I want you to go hard right now. Karen, I want you to go hard and done him now. Take your 30 seconds. Sit down.
Some woman from one eat dumpling. Because man, the more is man and audience used to the woman to mind them. So the woman them to name up them eat dumpling. I love the man them take all the 2 or 4 them out, take 2 family and give them 2 and then go with that. I want them a woman time now, a woman mistake. I need to control everything now. We need to control everything now. Man to go park up and put on. And I say crave, but at our time I need to in control all the time. And I go like to the mark and control man.
All right. Well, no man, we're not done. That's a Karen, man. That's a Karen now. So we want to hear Carl now. Carl, take your 30 seconds now. Your final talk. Go on, partner. Do that now.
Carl, you're too crave. You love your belly too much. You have to go easy. You go too hard. You love it. Right now, you don't have to eat so much food. When I say you have to eat no food, you don't have to eat so much dumpling. You see me I say? Right now, I love your belly too much. You have to go easy. Every minute I just eat dumpling you want to eat, and me looking at your me sit on the table looking straight in here, I eat dumpling and I eat 4. No, so that not going to work. Unless I never me provide the food. Unless I the X-man. I provide the food, and not me. Your man Terrell, it ain't got no right at all.
All right.
That's my cabinet.
All right, now. Vote.
Raga.
Whoa.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
That's enough. I wait in your car roof to gear a new style, you know.
Yeah.
Then somebody say, yo, how I go on? And I said, they're not that.
They know that. All right, no, man, don't come out for the line, man, because we're going to make them vote. And we'll start over Fanwall. We're going to see the voting. Carl or Karen. Okay, Fanwall people, start the voting. I'm going to take up my good iPad. Right? Oh, look at my finger, just a slide on it, so what? Mad. Okay. All right, here we go. Here we go. Start vote now. Carl or Karen. Theo Damian, Elta Skelter, Richard say, Carl take it. And Nadine Thompson Allen say, Carl me say, Karen 2 Wanga go. Paula Pierce say, oh she not say whatever. I could see me refresh right yes you know. I put fan one me there vote. Nadine Carl me say, Brill Green, Ambitious Andre, Carl, say Carl take it again. I could see how the voting I go. One Clark, she said Karen. Samoya said Carl, Akiwita said Carl I lead right you know. I saw it thing look, you know. Roche Miller said Carl, Keith Madward Hilton said Carl, shell it down. Chani Reese says Indulgence said Carl win, Natasia Ever Ready Nash, Carl Donna like Jibada, Ricardo GMC Verley, Carl Straight. Nike Smiley Carl Chantal Brown. I could look on AC side right now and see what go on over there so and see what them say. Tanisha Graham say Carl. Kimberly Kibrat Bryce say Carl. No, Tanisha Graham say Karen. Kimberly Kibrat say Carl. Sasha Porter say Carl. Cami Fortaleza say Ortega Carl, Nicole Samuel Carl, Natasha Bills Carl, Keisha Morrison Carl, Kerry Charming Cameron Carl, Shani the Star Carl, Sunday Solid, Sandra Sunday Solid, Anderson Carl, Slap It to a long time, Be a Things, Wayne Warwick Carl, Latisha Williams Carl, Shauna Princess Carl, Joy Cateyes, Karen, she's a Karen. And then one last place we're going to look over mixupyard.com and see what them say over there. But right now, it look like everybody, look like it's already. Where you say Bellias? Who you say take it?
Carl, man.
Where you say Carl take it?
Yeah, man. Him look at punchline them had me going, you know?
Yeah, I'm always an expert.
Yeah, you see that little craven thing there and that Wanga Valley thing there?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right, Chris Cross, who you say take it?
Carl.
Carl, you say take it. All right, it look like the great majority say Carl done Karen Panda one year and thing. All right, Karen.
Yeah.
Now worry yourself, you know, you go and good and you hold it, you see it. But the majority say Carl take it in the ghetto debate today, yeah? All right, Carl.
They're not that.
They're not that. What you say? You knew that, yeah, boss. They're not that.
My long time I get rooted for boss, but rooting a part of time.
You see, they're not that. She not shot.
That, you know.
That, you know. Hey, you know, so me like that better. That, you know. That one they have a better.
Hear me, you know, big up on the world, you know.
Well on. I could see where I go over. So, I have mix up yard. Susie Cute say, Carl to the flipping world. Priscilla Anderson, Carl, me say, the rest of them I say, are you like this thing? Okay, so what you say now about the wild time, Papa?
That's what I hear, big up on the wild time. I have no fun for the wild time, you know.
No, I'm me for tell you, no, man, big up the wild. You see wild time, ugly part, man, and them say Raga straight. Me not lie.
Yeah.
Me not lie, for real.
What do you say I'm calling about the bonnet thing and the old band? I'm not calling about the Joe Grind thing, you know, come on, shut it in the time. Yo, man, tell you better than Joe Grind, better than right.
All right, just all right. Make just
give it a come on again.
When you get root your name and number, she will just put you under the Ghetto Debate family list so that more time when we want people come in and deal with that thing, we have your name and number and we just make you forward and shut it. You see?
Bless
but congratulations to the you luck it, no say a flipping
man,
right?
Big up yourself.
Manners and respect. I get to the debate. We say entertainment and we go on with the things every day. Cuss out, get to the debate. That's how we deal. I would just debate some ridiculous thing. If you don't want, you can send in topics to it. Just send in topics to it, okay? But of course, them have to be mix up and blender topics. Them have to be mix-up topics. Them have to have flavor. Them have to have drama. Them have to have ray. We don't want a boring topic. You can't say, send in a topic for we to get to the debate. And I said, What does Jamaica need to increase its GDP? We're going to curse you, we're going to done you. And our thing that, you have send in some hot spicy topic where you know people can talk up the things and go on with a bag of things on the radio. You understand? Okay, we're going to break right now. I want to juggle up back in the sit now. We use a phone line and I use a mix up and blend that straight down. Soon forward.
Pick up the juvenile, them in the street where you say them have to make it and not touch the chrome. Them know what we fi claim our own Ragashanti, you not farm no fool in a room. Ragashanti go on and on. Babylon where we go, hungry from morning till night. Come, them want me to live me like so.
Check. Hey, let's see your life for them people mix up. Let's see your people wicked and people mix up. Alright, but when I say nothing, you know, because me are the king of mix up, I'm say if you can't dish it, you must can't take it. So to the people who I say, me just play a cartel dub plate and not play Beanie Man dub plate. I don't have a Beanie Man dub plate to the damn wicked. I've never played a Beanie Man dub plate. You understand? No, we don't want nobody get it twisted. Beanie am a link, Beanie am a hygiene. You understand? Second, a long time, me know cartel. A long time, me a cartel a reason. We are talking from back in the days when cartel insist on call me Dr. Stewart. I mean, I tell cartel, say, don't call me Dr. Stewart, call me Raga. But a years in Johnny, you understand? And the man, you know, all of something, Dr. Stewart, you know, Mr. Cartel, don't call me Dr. Stewart. You understand? And then for quite a few years, with no reason, that thing, you know, I would talk, you know, make a link back again or whatever. Second, the dub plate was just a year, for those that don't know. It was arranged between a crisscross, you know, I talk to Cartel and say, yo, you know, so the boss like that tune, yeah, and Ray make a dub. You don't even know it was a surprise, you understand? And them line up between them and Root and whatever. And you see, you hear the people them are right and I said to me, no, you hear, people them say, listen there, look how long Beanie Man, you have the Beanie Man dub plate. And you now play about the Beanie Man dub plate. And I want them, man, you now play about the Beanie Man dub plate and you just play the Cartel. I don't, we don't have a beat. Listen, and I'm going to Beanie now and some water dub plate, we get it. The point, you understand me?
Because efforts
clarify.
No, man, I say efforts were made to get a dub plate from Beanie Man.
No, man,
Beanie Man don't handle them thing there.
Beanie Man
send me to somebody else.
I send it to somebody.
So it's between the link there to Beanie.
Okay,
but
and then Beanie. Listen to me.
Okay.
There's really a time I say, Moses, you can't shot this to me. And him say no. It must be a foreigner or something, you understand? Yeah. Anytime I say, Beanie Man. Yeah, Moses, boom, bang, bang, bang. Him say, Raga, what are you, man? You're that cool, man. Boom, man, I always deal with it. So when I want nobody start make up things, hey, Jamaica mix up in a Johnny, me no lie. The people them say, oh, you never play the Beanie Man, don't play it. Look how Beanie make a don't play it for you. And them a say like them hear a Beanie Man don't play it already, you know.
Yeah.
And I've never ever played a Beanie Man don't play it by the sweater. But I mix up. So if you dish it, you're supposed to can't take it. You understand? Again, people. I don't have a Beanie Man dub plate. You know what? I'm going to get a Beanie Man dub plate and I'm going to get a Movada dub plate. You understand? No. I'm going to get a Beanie Man dub plate and a Movada dub plate.
But you're going to get a Bounty dub plate too.
And a Bounty dub plate.
Yeah.
See, since of them four pivotal people in terms of certain drama, I'm going to get a Beanie Man dub plate, a Bounty dub plate, and a Movada. Because you don't know that you have two Movada songs that I love.
Yeah.
I'm going to make no apology for it. 9 Lives, and with the other one.
And the other one on Mad Over.
Mad Over, yeah. Them two tune there. Am I Varo them there? Am I Varo tune them there? You understand? So I'm going to link my balance on the thing. Hey, when we are going up and get to Johnny, and we are going to dance, don't you ever big up Jungle and a big up TG, you know. Don't you ever big up TG and a big up Jungle, you know. Anytime they are dancing, you know. You big up to all of the TG people, and Jungle is large up on yourself too. I am a big up all of the jungle sometimes. You don't know how we say big up TG too. The thing have a balance. I say can't go certain the place. So it look like the thing have a balance. Hey, run the people are wicked in them say you not play the Beanie don't play it. I want to you go, you just play the Cartel don't play it. So and I don't have a Beanie don't play it. But everything is everything though. How we say mix up same way. And thing is it. What you say about my mother? What? Ruan, what you say about my mother? Ruan don't ramp me, don't say nothing about Miss Cherry no car home. Me mash up your... What you say about my mother? What you say about my mother? I joke, man. No, you can't talk, man. I rock a straight up and you can't talk. And a cliff use in there, you can't talk. Yeah, go ahead. Hey, what you say?
No, but in music.
Yeah, so again, you know, that's why I'm going to hide and talk, you know, in terms of support lately or whatever. Moses They that turn up trunk for you and I. So I just want enough respect to being the man and sitting. You understand? Because being the man, you know, razor, you know. You understand? So when I want nobody get it twisted, I'm going to start going like them want come define this thing a certain way and thing. But we have 2 visitors in the studio with us today. And think I will give thanks indeed. We have 2 people from half of the AC while rolling in the studio today. None other than Karen Wildman. Who them have it say Ingrid take with Dennis Lee from her. And I just saw it thing said, and we have Pepsi, you can't go and kiss your teeth, and that stinker road. Ingrid have the better sitting and just grab with Dennis from you like that, because Ingrid can do it. No. Wee! And we have Pepsi at the place. Now, it's me alone call her Pepsi, so we don't want nobody run. Don't run in. Don't run in. It's my AC wall wife. Pepsi. Jennifer. What? Wait, Rude. Oh, glasses man there. All right then. You know who we call glasses man. All right. Jennifer in our place, Karen at the place, Belly as in another. Something tells me this is going to be an interesting day. And incidentally, we have Marsha Ridgeline online. And Marsha said, because we used a biggie two blow yesterday, Biggie fling out something because Marsha Ridgie.
Hey, Marsha.
Hello? Hello?
Marsha, we hear say you have something for set to Biggie cause Biggie to a band. Yeah, what me? Yeah.
Who score Biggie for coming your show?
Who what?
Who
score?
Pardon and Duke and Peter out for coming your show.
Jesus.
Papa Jesus alive. Where you say who score off Biggie and Duke are down?
And beat her out.
And beat her out for come.
I want to know who has your false information because Raga. You ever hear me take it to nobody?
Marsha, hold on. You know some talk the truth. You have a link, but you know some talk the truth, don't?
Yes.
There was a time when you did see Biggie in our outfit. No Karen, no snapping a keyboard right there, because we know you're addicted to the thing. Once your mic open. Marsha, there was a time when you see Biggie in our outfit, and me, see you make the post. The post say, after you see Biggie in the outfit, say something to the effect, say you're going to stop. Say you have a similar outfit, and you're going to stop wearing. Me see that, Marsha, me see that.
Yeah. Let me tell you what I say. I have one of them there, and I'm going to dash it to your morning. And that I say. But me I say, out of the how much 100 post for the picture, why did you choose Marsha Ridgeline? So why attack? Why did you choose me?
Ridgeline.
No, well on, Reggie, what me I say? If you see Biggie in an outfit and you say, tomorrow, man, you have one like it and tomorrow, man, you're going to dash it away. Reggie, what I think happened was that was the hottest post there and I want the Kaneki take her. That's why I shall respond to...
I'm going to ask you now.
Yeah.
You're there outside broadcast and you see Biggie. Should it look bad?
What you say?
Watch him a stutter.
Hello. No. You see, when me attack, when I don't jump in, when I. What you say, what?
Me say you did the outside broadcast, and you did say Biggie. Should it look good? Should it sound good? Look for Biggie two of them and Biggie slippers. You never say slippers are cry cream.
No, but hold on. No, me did I done Biggie, you forget? When you forget, you me did I done Biggie?
That's a message that the postman from November 12th. Who tell Biggie that now for Biggie she calling and I try done me.
No, but Marsha, what me I say is that. Me did I done Biggie about it, right? Because you know, say me and Biggie cool like that. We can't argue, we can't just talk up the thing straight about that. When she ready, she done me. When me ready, me done her. And that's what the thing said. But me just I say, it's like a delayed blow and she just hear about it lately and it a connect lately. That's why she respond to you and I move to you wicked. Because, no, Marsha, Biggie has serious.
No, she let me down. Outside, Christmas Day, you know.
Well, Marsha.
She look good, she look good. I know, but she did look good at your show. My partner, when me hears the show, call up my name. Because me thinks that at Christmas Day, she tells me something about her. But Biggie never stand good on the outside broadcast for you.
No.
And she stand there for them and come back and look, and she look alright. Me never say nothing. I mean, no, me and a lot of people say, enough people are done up on the post blogger. And I want my post alone. Yeah, say take it. Tell me some mega dash. Look how much people are done now with other things that why choose me.
Well, you see, I don't know, probably a combination of reasons. I remember everybody always a big you up say, you ever look good. You never get done, so probably she just dry you out right there so and sit.
I just tried to, but after me no shoes later.
No, but Marsha, big and serious. Even if Biggie did pop down and Biggie don't look good or whatever, this and that, when you wear the same outfit, don't you look good in it?
Of course.
So when I say no, you know, feel say, me not lie no. If me was a woman, and me pop down one day, and then in an outfit, and you see me in the outfit and say, look for another outfit there. I'm going to dash your mind tomorrow. That's what about me. That's why Biggie answer.
Well, she talk, I talk, no. Me not have nothing more to say. Me not have nothing more to say. But when she got mix up and I talk about me a show what, me know me not depend them something like what me famous for your wall?
For just right there with laugh.
Alright, me don't talk. I not have no time for try to show them what for nobody. I know them hate my friend them, who hate them. Never call me and them a friend. No mean say, them hate me because me not depend what them depend. I need do a laugh.
So who are your friend them when them hate?
Me not like you know my friend them rather.
No.
Like and milk, Aaron, the whole away. I'm gonna never something them a try back down something, you know, something them a try back down.
Oh, Tantan are your friend too?
Yeah, my friend.
Okay, me just ask. A nurse, Steve Blake are your friend, though.
And when you talk about Mr. Lee, and I hear one, let me know Mr. Lee. And I know you're sure, let me know Mr. Lee from primary school.
No, me know say, me know say on my wall, make you know Mr. Lee. Me know that long time.
Let them know.
Mr. Lee don't even want to go, so she must nervous now. She must nervous now. Watch out, she feel for the computer. Watch out. Wait, I want to mix up this week. Hold on. I want the topic this week, Marsha. I want the topic this week. No in-law mix up this week. No in-law mix up this week. In-law mix up this week, no. Me know how you know, Michelle. You don't worry yourself about that because me know the things them. Me know the things them. In-law mix up. So you don't call and give it a mix up with your in-law them, Marsha. Marsha, you don't call it and give it a mix up with your in-law them. You're not supposed to. Don't talk, Marsha, don't talk. Don't talk because you have a file. Don't. Me say, people, if there's one person in the world can rinse and make Michelle well a corner right now, I'm Marsha. But Marsha ever defend you, you're damn lucky. Anyway, still, you know what, Marsha, the feeling, you know big you can call and answer you.
No, I'm not the police today now. You don't know my situation right now, and if I go try to deal with something on the road, I don't have no time to Biggie.
All right.
I'm not try to argue with her neither.
All right.
I think she wants to call and say she say.
So you did dash with the outfit for you?
Long time.
Okay. So from Biggie wear a pop. So from Biggie pop down in her outfit. Well, everybody else dash.
She never wear it good. She never wear it good and she never did look good. I must admit, she come here show and she started out. Me not like she did look alright at your show. I'm not gonna be biased. I'm not gonna be a hypocrite. But the outside worker, she never done good. And why she not done Karen the post to make the whole world see it? On the internet and the whole world see how much million people comment on the picture. Why she choose me for come attack?
Karen put the camera right at Biggie foot back and then post her foot back picture and make the whole then
and it's Biggie honest enough to herself. She can look back on the picture and say, no, someone never look good for you. She can't say so.
Well, but okay. What you just say, you're not gonna be biased and hypocritical, no?
No.
All right then. So Biggie did look better than Tantan. No, you saying?
Brother, me go on the road. Leave me alone. What you try though?
No. Well on. You see the phone, you know what I mean? I'm going to tell you the truth. I notice say you and Kedge and whatever, when I run in and I protect Tantan because Tantan and a friend, that's all fine. But you see what I talk about, when I take this moral stance, and like when I complain, I eat that thing that you know why? Tantan done people wicked on the wall. And you know that. And a Tantan says she only wear US $270 jeans and beer things. And Tantan talk about, well on, me not done. Hold on. When Kenton had done me about my yellow shirt, Tantan running and rinse me out wicked. You understand? Tantan done me with my big black boot and things that it make me faint and all kind of drama. She moved to me. What is the rule? Thick skin and broad back. Make Tantan stand up and defend herself. We don't want a surfer thing around here. Only for stop it. Because Tantan done people wicked and Tantan talk up wicked on the wall. So if Biggie move to her, she will defend herself and stop going like baby in this.
Yeah, she put that, so she for calling.
Yeah.
But me not missing in action after me don't know what she there.
No, but it look like, me don't know, it look like some can't reach around them connect and think Tantan disappear. We can't see Tantan. We can't see Tantan. Tambourine. Tantan in the garden, hiding. Tantan in the garden, hiding from Biggie. Tantan, where are thou? Tantan, oh, your best friend, I'm only see you one time since you fly in. No, Tantan, that's not right. Oh, your best friend, I'm only see you one time since you fly in. How are you, Tantan?
Rather you mix up.
Anyway, everything is no worry yourself, Marsha Reggie, and you don't know again on behalf of the family, and you don't know so we say mix up and we say joke and whatever, but you don't know a serious thing reach with your sister too, just like Johnny and thing on the sister drop out, so you don't know how we say strength and protection same way, and even Biggie understand them thing upon them level, and a joke thing we know, and we know say it really knock you hard and it you know true you feel look.
God know me, I said the one in the foot little time from that we come here show for try get a laugh and me I said what is it's all my son.
Yeah, but I mix up still. No, but differently still regarding your sister, we just want some more strength and powers, you see? Yeah, all right, proper respect to you and your family too for the new year and everything, you see? Because you don't know, so at the end of the day, you know, put fun and joke and mix up aside, we take care of one another, don't. And that my light born when somebody in a problem or anything, people rally around and then we cuss and go on bad again and sitting. Don't. All right? Yeah, blessings, Marsha Regina. Everything is everything. Okay. Karen, we want your take on the matter right now.
Which matter?
The matter between Marsha Ridgeline and Biggie.
Oh, Biggie out of bounds, you know.
No, why do you think Marsha, then if Marsha posts it, if Marsha see Biggie in an outfit and then she go dash for the outfit because Biggie will wear it and it pop down. You no answer that.
It simply means that Biggie never wear it good. Just never that me night, or
then it should never happen like that. That means you must go dash for your one.
No, you see, alright, I'm telling you, I understand Marsha, you know, because, alright, you see me? Yeah. I have plasma belly, though.
Yeah, no, that's true.
And I have a navel piercing. Yeah. I'm some bang belly girl be navel piercing. I'm going to take out mine. Dash mine. Them now wear it good.
I can't manage. Okay. Hey, people, let me tell her from now. Karen has a reputation. She just keep it real. She not go around kind of whatever. You know, she cool them with it. So, what your favorite liquor when you drink, right?
Appleton. And Vibes rum.
Vibes rum. Yo, I use a Vibes rum.
I'm crazy for Magnum though.
You're crazy for Magnum?
Yeah.
Magnum, you say, and Vibes rum?
Yeah.
No, I go down asylum Tuesday night and Andrew said, you know, I buy, because I have my money, okay. Mm-hmm. So I buy some Vibes rum and thing, and you know, and no, it tastes good. It tastes good.
It creeper, and it's a creeper.
Oh, yeah, creep up on you.
Yeah.
No, me not lie. Me never go out. No, you can't. Don't say that.
Make it. Me say taste like cartel. Make it. You never hear the last part.
Oh, me never hear the make it. Me just say it tastes like cartel. So it tastes like cartel. Make it.
Yeah.
That means it's a wicked then.
Yeah.
All right, then. Cool. Sorry then. Okay. So, well, Karen, me know say you're a straight cartel fan for a long time. I use a cartel long time thing. Where you stand with that then?
Gaza straight.
Gaza, you say straight?
Straight.
For a long time? Non-stop.
Gaza.
I use a Gaza. Cartel. Okay. So what you say about the controversy with the cake soap and the bleaching?
You know,
I like it, you know, it don't look like the right one, tan by.
Why is it tan by the wrong soap?
The wrong one. I want diluted.
Boy! Tantan, your soap no good. Tantan, your soap not sold properly. Your soap have to rub too much before you can get local sun out of it. What? Yeah, we have to be careful, you know, because time we call it Tantan.
Why? No, you see the picture that much you
No,
post?
I keep it real. Let me say time. We joke around with Tantan too much publicly. We say popcorn, we whap her up, you know. No, just like I look at spanking and so I look at tattoo. I joke me I make people, I joke me I make.
Now go papa on the right way.
Now go papa on the right. All right, let go there. Me couldn't go this. But big up. Well, you know, say Tantan and she say, Gaza see him.
Yeah, me see her one time like Marsha too.
What? You see her one time, you see Tantan one time too. So we Tantan a idea. But I'm a good friend like that. I used to be with somebody every time.
But I understand she's a hide, so
Tantan, no, Tantan, not do it.
The Baron
everything is everything, Tantan. Not do it. Not do it. No, but you had somebody had done Tantan or whatever I talk about. Well, she probably flew in, but perhaps she just did not unpack her luggage. They might deal with her wicked, but not like. But anyway, why don't we get up and make the lovely lady here read the news? I will come back where I go to the phone line and think. Karen in the building, Peppermount Jennifer from AC Wall in the fan wall across right now. So what am I running over? Okay, we're soon forward. Yo, welcome back up in our Mixup and Blenda sitting with me, Ragashanti, Dirty Raga. See, I call myself Dirty all the time, so Dirty bossy people, don't get it twisted. Dirty is just one of our favorite adjectives around here. All right, you should be honored when we notice you and say, right, Johnny? Say, dirty bossy people. Because me a dirty Raga. You understand? Well, we are going to the phone line right here now. We're going to talk up the things and an in-law mix-up with them. In-law mix-up. We want to call in and rinse different things. Them give you some mix-up with your brother-in-law, your sister-in-law, your father-in-law, your mother-in-law. If Johnny or your in-law you have mix-up on him, call in and rinse it. You understand? If Bruce Golding or your in-law and you have mix-up on him, call in and rinse it. If Portia Simpson Miller or your in-law you have mix-up on her, call in and rinse it. If Barack Obama or your in-law and you have mix-up on it, can rinse out it, what's it not. And if you have any other sample mix-up, call in and give it a mix-up them thing. Because we say mix-up entertainment. Any drama we go down, any sitting where you remember, just call in and make you know what go on. You see it? All right, to the phone lines, we go and mix up a one. We don't want to big up or anything like that. Mix up a one. No big up, please. No big up. And no Happy New Year and them something there. We know the love out there and thing, but the people them want to listen. Mix up them one. All right? Here we go to the phone line and up and down. Don't get root, no problem. If root telling us I mix up on for forward, make sure I mix up on the forward because I'm not fond mix up on some straight. Go to for the reach. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, Raga.
What's up?
How are you doing?
Boy, I'm there. I give thanks. What I go on with you?
I'm great. First time caller, long time listener.
All right.
Okay. I have a mix of regards to my sister. I just call and tell her that I'm going to call in Raga, so she want to kill me later. She kill me. This is about the dumpling.
About the dumpling?
Yes.
Talk about the dumpling.
Anyway, my mom was working at a site.
Yeah.
Well, not working at a site. Sorry, my stepfather was working at a site, and my mom took us there to visit and look for him.
Right.
She looked after some food for the men who were working on the site.
Right.
And there weren't any enough plate there. Some eat out a cheese pan, side thing, eat out a any little thing. My sister got 5 cartwheel dumplings. With 5 cartwheel dumplings with some yam and banana and them stuff there. Curry chicken back it was.
Yeah.
In one of the bucket, the cement bucket them.
Yeah.
The big cement bucket them.
Hold on. Your sister get the dumpling them in a big cement bucket.
Yeah.
Then why them feed her in a cement bucket?
Because nothing else never leaves, so she get all out.
So the plate them they done.
The plate them, the cheese pan them on the plate them they done.
The cheese pan them on the plate. So them just say, yo, Missy, I forgot wallet in a cement bucket. And them give her 5 dumpling in a cement bucket with some curry chicken bar.
Yeah.
Oh God, hold on 1 second. Tambourine! No, them do her bad. Me not lie. Them do her bad. So then what she do? What she do?
We had a great laugh over it. We laugh.
Then hold on. Did she wax the dumpling then?
Yeah, she have everything, Raga, everything.
Then sometimes you lick a plate and think she lick the bucket. She never use her rod and scrape the gravy out of the bucket.
Raga, you're too bad. Me can't laugh. I don't want to bust made.
Jano, I'll be see your sister right now. I'm just ball a bucket. Say, carry cement. And I be a things. Now that one they shot. 5 cartwheel dumpling, curry chicken back in a cement bucket. Mad. Hey, you think we in a Jamaica? I tell people all the while, if you're there in Jamaica and you're bored, are you on board? Are you on board? No say a word, man. All right, blessings to that one there. Okay, cool. Mad. 5 cartwheel dumpling, curry chicken back and beer things in the cement bucket. See it there. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Hello?
What going, Yaga?
My day, I know. What go on with you?
First time caller, long time listener.
It goes so. So what you say I know?
Raga.
Hey.
Boy, you big up the people and my teeth for pot them yesterday morning.
Teeth you pot them yesterday. Tell me about it.
Raga, me say, I'm coming from dance. And I tell you, I'm well hungry now that I'm in a night.
Yeah.
So now, me say, you know what? Man, we get up and cook some food, yeah, man. I'm hungry, Raga, well read.
Yeah.
Wake up a morning now, say, me going to put on some food. Go out the door, I empty surface, me say, no pot cover, nothing.
So where you left the pot them? Where you left the pot?
Pant out the door, because like...
Out the door big, which part out the door? Which part out the door?
Outside of the house.
Then if I out the door, no must. If I outside the door, no must outside of the door, baby. Me just want to know. We just want to see it. Where you left it by your back step? Where you left it like you have the kitchen outside?
No man, one table outside.
Okay, you have a table.
On the table, yeah.
So you have table outside where you leave pot overnight, pan? Oh, explain that.
No, the pot them wash, so me turn them down outside on the table.
When I look at table outside and you left them there overnight.
Yes, I'm left them out there.
All right, hold on. A good pot, a proper pot.
A good pot.
Yeah.
So what a lucky thing the soup pot did inside.
Okay. So you want...
Anyway, you big up my in-law.
Yeah.
Where a man Tambourine and she got work, so she have swelling skin.
So she have swelling skin.
I want only for something with eyeglass.
Okay. So which town you live in now?
Spanish Town.
All right, now say a word here.
All right.
Bless up yourself, indeed. We say Mixup and Blenda. We're there. To the phone line we go again. Good afternoon. Hello.
Roger.
Whoa, sir.
I'm here listening to the show, man.
All right.
Enjoying it and all that.
Wonderful.
Well, you know, women are running a while ago.
Uh-huh.
Spongy.
What?
Spongy, man.
Who is Spongy again?
You remember Spongy, man? They can't really go in it. They go to the session and the friend invite him home and they never have any time.
Oh, yes.
I'm trying to go and invite her and make sure the latest. She'll be the right thing now.
You would like to be updated.
Yeah, updated.
and if memory, Jennifer, you remember, Jennifer, what that mix up that they go again? The girl will go party and go stay at her friend's house. And then when she use the bathroom and thing, the tiny paper never. No, so they go.
Yeah, she bring sponge, come gear for use her while.
Yeah, and the girl gear the sponge and say, yo, the tiny paper not there, just hold this. And
I use a tear piece of shower curtain.
Tear piece of shower curtain. Jennifer, you just as
if she's doing the right thing now.
If she's doing the right thing now.
Yes.
If she's doing what we civil modern people do now.
Exactly.
Which is that we use toilet paper and some of the ladies use wipes.
So just tell her to call and tell her.
Spongy, give me a link, that Spongy. But you know, easy, you just in a very nice way. Raga, whatever happened to Spongy?
Yes, something happened.
I like it.
Happy New Year when it comes, Raga.
And the same to you,
and Ruthie and Michelle. Tell Michelle, but I laughing wicked, man.
I laughing wicked. You know how she say laughing really, man.
When Michelle laugh by the face shit.
You just always hear it at the background. I laugh
but I call the names are not me here. You call I'm in our trouble out.
Oh, you're not. No, you can't say belly as if you want.
You're not saying it, some.
You can't say party belly then.
Michelle is my laughing friend, and I'm
no, all right, say gutty.
I'm not saying anything of the name.
All right then.
I just want, she just go and laugh.
All right.
I mean, I'll give her no name.
Nah, give her any name. All right.
Blessing on the show, same.
Yeah, man. Blessings and respects. So do take care. All right, then. I mix up and blend. That was the in-law mix up with the pan. Whether your brother-in-law, your sister-in-law, they didn't have some precky and some sitting, a drama that was entertaining. We don't want to call and give a boring story. Okay, we want things to entertain. entertaining and did make you laugh and pop up and beer things. Your mother-in-law, if you have a drama mother-in-law, we are going with beer things, call in and give with the mate. If you have a father-in-law, we are move loose certain way and just going to be a drama or something, call in and give with the mate. Here we go to the phone lines again. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, wrap up.
Whoa.
Yeah. I have a semi-mix-up, yeah, you see me?
A what?
A semi-mix-up.
A semi-mix-up?
Yeah.
A half a mix-up?
Yeah, cranny mix-up. And me call in and say cake soap Jackson, you know.
Cake soap Jackson?
Yeah, I say cranny Rassin. I hear that.
No, but Union cranny Rass?
Cranny.
All right, then. What you say?
Yeah. Right, you that cranny mix-up, you know, saying?
Yeah.
It's like me have a friend-in-law, saying?
Yeah.
So, him have a chiquitita we have broke out, saying?
Yeah.
In personal chiquitita.
Yeah.
She have got broke out and things. So it's like we find out and things still and you see me? And I make sure you say you have to step off of that and thing and she say, boy, she have got away the star car.
When you say she have broke out, she have got take woman?
No.
What she have take man?
She have got the many men wear.
The many men wear. When they say go that way, then you mean she have take a whole heap of man then?
That's right.
All right, then go on talking.
Yeah, see? So it's like we have upon a base now and things and I will about train thing around, you see me? Yeah, what about train thing around and things. So it's like
Hold on. Was she complying with what was running?
Yeah man, you understand, she did on the track man, you understand? Choo and she gone, you see me?
So she did want that?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
But Mr. B don't know where I go on still, you know.
And Mr. B are your friend?
Yeah. See?
So well on, this girl out there with this youth here?
Yeah.
And then she now love a whole heap of man and want to have sex with a whole heap of man.
Yeah. See, so
and well on a friend them, so the whole of that they start her road and on a phone a friend.
Yes, see me.
All right,
because she broke out that way there, you know. Him not know, you know, and you see she look good on them type of thing there. Saying, a good going for that way there, because she look good on thing, you see me? And since she pop way and thing and right there, before some next man pop away and thing still, it was just right at the time for the linkage. Do the linkage, you understand?
The linkage. Well, I don't really agree with that, and I cannot agree with that on national radio. But go on talk.
All right, sir. All right. So it's like we are saying now, shall I go too hard? You see me?
Yeah.
So we are going to make Mr. D know. You see it?
Yeah.
So when we are show Mr. D know, it's like he must say, you know, say nothing no go so. I lie we are tell upon the B. Seeing? So we are say, all right, you are going on now. Seeing? We are going to show you say a real thing are going. You see me? So it's like we organize him up and make him dead there. Come on when the thing will go on again, you see me?
Well, I don't know. You probably not going to understand why I go on. You know, say them say we have to exercise with discretion about certain things.
Yeah, man,
but you see, all the one that evolve is like, I one of them things that where them say, yo, the people them and rate it, you know?
All right, we have to step on it.
No, man, I one of them things that where people can misunderstand all kind of things tonight. So I better will know it, here. I feel no way, man. I know what I do, here.
All right, look on this now.
Yeah.
All right, I can step off of that and thing, saying, I'm feeling the thing, because like we said, we can send me to the next one, we can cut it short and not go that way, you see me?
All right, then.
All right. My brother now, saying, it's like him dream about this beer.
Yeah.
Saying, so it's like him must say, boy, he must tell me where him dreams and thing, you see it?
Yeah.
So it's like the beer a pass now and thing, saying, like him must say, John was there, you see it? I see my dreams the last time I tell her and thing and rare, saying, but she don't know what the man talk about and them type of thing there, you know. Saying?
Yeah.
So it's like she jump and start go on the most way. I know what kind of dream you come talk about the dream to me and them type of thing there. Where you say what kind of dream you like this the man and them type of thing there. And the man have no bad dream because man tell me say boy John when dream Sarah got church and thing and like you understand?
Right.
Good vibes and thing and she want exercise some little thing for the man and thing. See me?
Okay. But you see to most people when they draw a certain sex card and come with a dream, she thinks that this him there, you know. From a man I say my dream about her. It means say my dream so she'll give him a sort out or something
like that. You see me?
And I don't even that him a deal, so she start done him right away.
Done him right away and the man on the pan type of thing. So the man, you understand?
Yeah.
So we feel how we when we look and say, how shall be a son and type of thing there and the man on the pan type of thing the same?
Yeah.
So she open at the ear and type of thing there and say, yo, so where your dreams to me are the way your dreams and the man I said, John, no, for real my day. And she say, yeah, what you mean? Can you go on the most way and a baby? Still at the compound.
That's all right. All right, cool. Yeah. And what him say him name again? Cranny Ras. Cranny Ras him name. Cranny Ras. All right. Yo, Cranny Ras I go hard, yo. When they say Raga can't allow him things to go through, you must know say. Yeah. Broadcasting Commission. Dirty wicked people. When I have no time, when I not talk about, when I'm ready for done me, when I just happen to be going through the radio dial and always come up on the time when I just happen to hear that one thing they want to ready for done me. I will put it in a listen and say we stop and we cut out certain things what we say cannot go over because it's not like kind of wrong or right thing. But it's just that in terms of degree of craziness, it gone a little bit too far and it get a little bit too grotesque and thing. And we exercise with discretion here and we say, yo, we're not going to allow them things to go over. So we want the Broadcasting Commission to know. We want Cordell Green, Executive Director of the Broadcasting Commission, to know people who want to take note of these times when we're doing our job and making sure that we keep the thing on a level, even though we say mix up straight, even though we say edging it straight, even though we say keep it real with the sort out our dagger in conversation. We want to take note of them time when we cut out the thing them and we behave ourselves and we comply with the rules and the regulation and thing, because sometimes when Cordell Green and Professor Upton done them are running and all them thing there, them go on like say we not do what we do and we not respect them certain way. So we want to see what I go and say the respect there and we'll be able to say certain way. You see? To the phone line to go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Bounty Killer Talk. Who is our dead here? Hey yo, yellow. Hello?
Yes, Raga.
Where you there? Which room you call from?
In my bathroom, Raga.
Why echo a kill we go and talk?
Instead of about this and Mixup.
Well on, the phone there your mouth.
Yeah, you can't hear me now?
No, we are hear you. It just sound weird, man, cause you're there far from the phone. A speakerphone at the pan?
No.
All right, go on talk.
Mr. Raga, I have a Mixup for you.
Yeah.
I say, I have my man in a Raga. And when I give the man the start for Raga, the man is coming up with Raga. So I'm going to give him brother. And him brother. Well on. What you say when you give him the start out, what? He's not good. He's not good Raga. He's not ready.
Him not good for the start out, right?
No, he's not good.
So what you going to do after you realize him not good for the start out?
I'm going to give him brother Raga.
So since the man never good with the start out, you got to dash out the sitting game, brother.
Yes, Raga.
All right.
Raga, the man has me in every position, Raga. I don't need to jump off the bed and hold me, see me, Raga.
So you get the hang off a bed style too. That one the body.
Yes, Raga.
So when you say when you jump off, when you jump off of the bed, him still a send it up, no?
Yes, Raga. I'm going to say, Raga, when we go to the man in the Raga, the man not even sight or cut or nothing, Raga. Just want him sweet, Raga. Because I know that me a long distance police of life, Raga. I know that I'm not going to stand up enough foolishness in the Raga.
This are the brother?
No, man, this are the man, Raga.
So wait, you going to tell the man, say you give him brother the work?
Yeah, man, I'm telling you, say no good, man, I'm not ready.
So are you tell the man, say you are long distance to Leisha?
Police of life, Raga.
Yeah, so when they say long distance, what you mean? You really go long for you?
What do you mean, Raga?
Like how long? Like when you start out and you do the things, how long you go for?
Yes, sir.
When you start out and you get, like if you're not good start out, how long that usually lasts for?
About 2 hours, Raga, 3 hours.
3 hours. Okay. See? So after you tell him, say him can't handle the work right now, what happened after that?
Raga, I'm not understand the man, Raga. Raga, I'm just go to him, massive fight or nothing, Raga. I'm not saying no good.
Okay, so I'm not even protest or argue with it or go on anywhere.
No, sir, Raga, I'm the good. I said, good, Raga, I told him come back, I just told him like, dog.
Okay, are you there with him, brother, you know?
No, Raga, I'm listening to him. Raga, I'm worried now. Yeah, I'm good in a bed, Raga, but after a while, I'm just get leave, man.
Okay, I'm good in a bed, but outside of that, I don't know nothing for you walk on the street with. Don't tell me his name, okay? But you're there with a man, right? One different man, right? I know, don't? Okay. How old him is now?
I'm about 25. I think I'm 25 or 26.
Okay. So how things set with him right now?
I'm good, man. I'm just full the gap for the two of them.
I'm fully got for the two of them and thing. But what else good about him, about the man? What else exciting about him?
Everything, like, I'm just, I think I even have a settle down with him.
Okay, but what else exciting about him? Tell us some things about him that are very good.
Him look good.
Uh-huh.
Him intelligent, bad.
Him intelligent.
And, yeah, man, and the money just are coming, just are running.
And the money are coming. So what do you him intelligent? Like some of the intelligence will come off by you too, don't it?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so you are get more and more intelligent now, don't it?
Of course, I get more and more, man.
Okay, so you get a whole heap of intelligence.
Whole heap. And more when truculent.
What?
I mean, aggressive, defiant.
Well on, somebody have the radio near you, man. Tell her, Joe, not do them things. They don't know someone that like them things, man. I will have the radio near you. You see, you now well up the show right now. Move from around the radio, man. Joe. Hey, you there?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about the two words and the two big words, yeah.
Yeah, I'll check here, sir.
Well on, the word, well on, me come in for learn that one. What name, Chuck here, sorry? What?
Sorry, I took it.
Well on, talking on phone, baby.
Chuck here, sorry. Chuck here, sorry. I took it.
All right, spell it there for me. All right, but it's something like Chuck here, sorry.
Yeah.
And when you say that, it means state of annoyance.
Yes,
well, don't tell me, Sam, did I tell you, say you did annoying, you know. Well, I'm talking on the phone, eh?
Don't try this,
no, me ask, me just didn't want to know how the words come up if him did say you're being too cursory. What? Eh? I never mean. All right. What the next one about chocolate? What?
Chocolate. So I mean, aggressively defiant. Defiant.
You know, I said this boy original. Hello. Oh, we lost her there, man. You don't know them word. Mean aggressively defiant, truculent. All right, now we have to look on the wall because we know that them people are right away in them. What she did that? You know what that word cursory means? State of annoyance.
I put two dictionary in your phone. You could check it out.
All right, let me have a check it out. Yeah. You know that word?
No, but Kavi, stay good right from. You see what I say? If this is the intelligence that she's getting, imagine if the man did dark.
No, but me I try to pick up the word, but she don't really pick. But I'm asking you, Jennifer, Karen, Michelle, I mean, she was giving us an approximation of the word. And she said something like, cursory. You don't know when cursory mean a state of annoyance?
I'm going to go to basic school.
There you go. Well, truculent. I don't know anything. Mean aggressive. What?
What she said? Aggressive.
Yeah, that brother had full of lyrics.
Because she knows she don't have no sense. If just call any word and she just take it and run with it.
No, because I'm not familiar with it. No, careful, you have some really strange words out there. But even if those words exist, with all due respect, those are not words that are necessary in the everyday vernacular, even if you use big words.
Maybe him just want, like we say we love hearing people talk French when I rubbish. She love hear the big word them when I rubbish.
Right, some woman that turn them on,
Yeah.
Someone, oh Lord God, him sound good. He make me wait. No lie. When him talk me wait, him just bright so. And them don't know one class what the man are saying.
Because see, that should, when you check out the meaning of them word that she give them, you
right.
know? And that's something where you compliment people with.
Yeah, that is not something where you even use. On the backside, you check cursory. You understand what I say? I can't understand if a man say, you know that she's a charismatic lady, and then your girlfriend say, what charismatic mean? And then say that is a big word we use regularly. But you can't imagine, oh my God, she's just so cursory.
So
Like, who the hell use her? Huh?
But now I can't tell what somebody said she there with a particular person ever in a bad color white.
In a bad color white. A particular person ever in a bad. We make up words though. One person. I want that other person that she there with. We love make up word though. We love make up word though. You know what? I think so the man when she there with is very Ragashantious. Yeah, we're going to break me so forward.
An Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Yo, Ruth, the caller a while ago who called about the word, Jim, you have our number? You don't have our number? But we need to make she call back, because the second word where she did arrange Jennifer and Karen. The word legit, legit. Because we can do research and we have bright people on the walls. So blessed and highly favored Shaki Raga on AC Wall. She said the word is truculent. And quite a few people through fan wall and so forth, meaning fierce, cruel, or savagely brutal, which was correct. So, Miss Lady, if you call back, we have for you a gift certificate from Al Bundy's Nail Design, shop number 7 in Clock Tower Plaza, upstairs Western Union at Julie's Saloon. Okay? And it's a certificate for, this is a pedicure, right? Michelle, talk up now.
Yeah, man.
It's a what?
It's a gift certificate. It's a gift certificate with a pedicure and a full set.
What's a full set?
It's a nail term. It's a nail tech term. I guess when she got there, she'll know. But
no, but the people them who listen want to know too. You're going like have on a secret.
You have won yourself a full set with pedicure.
What the backside is a full set? What is a full set?
Some have to do with your hand.
So tell me what is it?
I don't know exactly.
You're not that if you say it long time. No, she going like Karen, not Gina, she did the thing a while ago. Before she said she don't know, she try come Gina. It's something to do. It's like a girl thing. Don't worry about it.
It's supposed to country today.
Oh.
Chocolate.
Oh, darling, it's chocolate. Chocolate.
But she said chocolate.
No, well, she was having some difficulties with the pronunciation. Yo, in-law mix-up with upon any mix-up involving any one of your in-law them where you want to call and tell about, or any other sample mix-up, or we say mix-up and blender without apology. Big up Jennifer in the building, big up Karen in the building, and thing from AC Wall. Of course, Michelle A. Belly as Patty Belly, Gotti there, CM and sitting. Root to the Q to the producer there, Richard Rainford, and thing. Technical operator. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Reggae, good evening.
Good evening to you too.
More, you big up my stepmother when I did younger. I used to live up with my father. My mother come up on my father's yard with one lass. We not promote violence.
Right.
And she come from my father's yard with one lass for my stepmother because she did beat me up. And when she come out and a bigger purchase and I go, my mother moved to her and she said to my father, say, like my father the name John. She said, John is going to make she kill me. And I run go back in the house and my mother go in the house for her. And my father have to jar off. Mad something today.
Oh, so like, when you tell me what about what the exciting thing for listeners for radio get to, you know?
Raga.
But now I don't, we just say, we keep it real. You see that story there now, I don't really mix up. It's just...
All right, listen. Yeah. You see my mother come for her.
Yeah.
And she come out and do a beat up her chest, right? And I said, but my mother can't do her nothing. And my father did done beat her already and whatever. So my mother moved to her now and said, girl, come here and drip her up. Right? And she ring out to my mother and my mother ready for wheel last and her. She hold on for my father and say, I'm going to make she kill me, And all the crowd did come down.
Okay.
So when she run going to the house now,
my
mother run going the fear. And I jar out. And my father give my mother 2 lick.
Your father give your mother 2 lick?
Yeah. And so she fell her alone and something. So she never dare beat me up.
Oh, then after that she ever put her hand for you again?
No, she don't put her hand for me. But
gotcha,
one big her up, she feel a cockroach.
Who feel a cockroach?
My stepmother.
Okay. Your
She
stepmother.
don't look good.
She don't look good. You're not still up her?
No, Raga, she look like nigga.
She look like nigga?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you see, I know you're going with things though, you know then? Why make you say she look like nigga?
Because she more gonna look dry up like leaf.
Okay. I want toothpick.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing now going for her, but it look like she have your father locked door.
She there for her now, Raga.
Oh, she there for her now, okay.
No, my mother and my father, you know. I ask her where bumper so around.
What your mother, your father draw back for your mother, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, your mother shell down though.
And look good and rosy.
But your mother have any other man though?
Of course, Raga. Okay. Daddy days done a long time.
Daddy days done a long time. Then you think your mother had squeeze back a piece, careful.
No, sir. If she squeeze back a piece, me myself beat her.
Right, you know what? But you love your father though, don't you?
Yeah.
But you just don't think that your mother and your father forget back together?
No, my mother too much of a girl for go back with my daddy, you know.
Oh, well, so you talk like say your father pop down?
Daddy pop down, of course.
Daddy pop down and mama are good as down.
Daddy no money, Raga.
Is it all about the money or looks or whatever?
No, but listen. Mommy they are fine now. Mommy have me, right?
Yeah.
I'm a sister.
Yeah.
What she go do with daddy for daddy can't help her?
Okay. So if a woman are there with a man, she must there with a man who can help her.
Yeah, she not for do no woman not for do no pop down, man.
And when you say pop down, you mean pop down in terms of the money?
Well, woman to do it, man, we can uplift them and make them reach somewhere in their life. Not only for money, but, encouragement too. No woman for do it, man, we just want to jump down and daga and down.
And daga. So, in other words, the daga is not important?
It is important. It plays a part, but it's not all that.
It's not all that. So, woman must deal with a man who can uplift her.
Can encourage her to move from where she is.
Likewise, the same thing for a man, though. A man must pick a woman who can encourage him and uplift him to, don't it?
Yeah, move him forward.
And exactly. And along the same line, a woman who have money can pick up a man who have money and help him move forward to, don't it?
Yeah, Raga, nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that. Okay.
Woman for mine, man, if she have some money.
If she have some money, woman for... I love you, baby. You have a man?
Raga. Yeah, me have a man.
You have a man? Then you don't want to uplift me.
Raga, you know who you talk to? I'm not tell Raga.
Oh, is somebody woman know?
Me not tell Raga.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Are you? That's a word, man. Me not tell Raga. Anybody who go mix up and blend that noise, me not tell Raga. Mad. Anyway, you are the new champ.
Big up fan wall and big up AC wall too.
All right, large up here.
All right,
that's a word, man. Blessings and respect. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga, good afternoon.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me just want to shout out to the lady, the wife where work at one popular liquor store on Spanish Town Road where they for a good up husband and just a dash it out like that. So I want to shout out to her. She's a supervisor and one of the popular liquor stores.
No more identifying information. You know that is a rule. Okay, boy, when me I said was how you know she dash it out regularly?
Yeah, me know because I have links there like that.
No, so give us some details for the dash out part.
No, because she left for her husband and her husband a good up man, proper. Can work at one of the good up security company.
No, but she can't have a husband who work at a good up security company, but they're incompatible and for whatever reason she may have to leave that relationship. But you don't know the details, Ragwan. All you know is that he work at a good up security company.
I don't want to go in at too much now. I don't want to go in at too much now. Me I call you back next time and give you more.
All right.
And me, our husband now, I know say our husband a good man. Me I tell you that straight.
Darling, what I'm saying is,
you
can see somebody who is a good man and whatever, and is in fact a good man, but still be incompatible to somebody else in a relationship.
No, me and the mother, me and the mother reason everything, so me know what me I say.
All right, give it one piece. Just give a piece of what? Just give a piece of something then for me we have a understand.
Raga, me I talk to him and things where him do for me where I have money.
Oh, then that if you say you have the man now.
Yeah.
Then that you should have tell me.
And me have the man now.
Then that look at you make me feel dry it out of you. So that if you make me know say him a palm you now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you a give him the helicopter and the slide and wine and the cup and sauce and beer things. Yeah. All right. So when me ask you straight and plain, are you thief no man?
No, me not take her man.
Oh, you mean? So how you come for your side out the woman husband then?
Listen to me. I get on my leave. I'm in a take girl man, but take over girl man.
All right, so you take over the woman husband.
Yeah, come on. Have it look like that.
All right, then take over the woman husband then.
Then that me for the raga.
That you must do.
Man, if a woman see good man, them I go take them over though.
Oh, that one they go what?
If a woman see a good man, them I go take them over, don't it?
So you said nothing no wrong if a woman see a good man and take him over, even if the man married.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with it.
Nothing wrong with it.
Nothing wrong with that if a woman go take over a man even if the man married.
Right, because sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. So how you ever manage now when a next woman step to this man you know where you have up now?
Raga, it's a hard for a woman step to you.
Why?
Right now,
what?
Me have play my part.
What you do for play your part?
One woman that do everything for a man. Raga, I get up early morning, make him breakfast. I give him breakfast in bed.
Yeah.
Everything look like that before him go work a morning time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you take care.
Me see that him clean, him clothes, press everything. And me not talk about the sort out. I know all about the sort out. The
right.
Sort out shock.
The sort out a guan. The sort out seller.
Mad, it's shot.
Shell down.
Yeah. What I tell you for
the sort out a cost be a bad one.
Yeah.
It turn up.
Groovy and everything. Me tell you. Him royal.
Him groovy. Him groovy.
Bad.
Okay, all right. Then
mad.
So wait, so then tell me something. What the wife? Does she want back her husband and that's like what?
No, me not think she want him back. Me don't know if she want him back.
All right, well, him still live with him wife?
No, I'm not live with the wife no more.
Where him live here now? Him live with you?
No, man, him live on him own. So me there regular.
Okay, so why you don't like the wife? What the wife are going with?
Raga, me don't know the wife.
So you done her? No, but why you done her and you don't know her?
Raga, I have links on her.
No, but I'm saying, what me I hear from you is that you and the wife mount no catch up. You and her never...
No, because she don't know me. I only see her from...
Hello?
My credit I done 1 minute I have left.
All right.
That wait long time.
All right.
She don't know me, but me.
No, but me don't understand that doing it. Say you and her no catch up, put it down and one thing. But you done her. Where you done her for?
I don't have no time for that because me I say she shouldn't left for a good up, clean, nice, decent husband.
Okay.
So,
and she didn't left him and go pick up somebody?
Because she just said that she thought like food in a plate.
Okay.
And cloth in a water.
Why? All right, then bless up here.
Yeah, respect.
Not say a word. Yo, what have you say about that talk the way? What take all? I get to talk though, you know, coming to hear uptown people with it. This whole thing say them not, woman I say them not take a girl, man. Them take over a man. What Karen, what you have to say about that talk?
Me not take over nothing, I'm still a borrow.
You still a borrow? You borrow somebody, man.
Nobody for myself.
You don't want nobody for yourself, or you don't have anybody for yourself?
I don't want anyone for myself.
You don't want anybody for yourself? You just go and borrow our next one, man.
Use and send home.
Use and... Pipe. Jennifer, what do you think about that term there? Jennifer, you must know. You live in Virginia now, but you're in the street and you get home, man. So I know you must hear that talk there already. Them not take a girl, man, or them not take a wife, husband. Them take over, man. What do you think about that talk there out there?
Nobody alone take over still, you know. Don't just say just take a man and just be him life.
And be him life?
Yeah, you just say life. You know, take over, and nobody alone take over.
Okay. All right, but what me answer? What you think about this argument? Emily, you jump in right there. Right? The argument that some woman make is that if a woman see a good man, she must have business with the man, who the man attack to her, if he married or not. Her thing is, if you see a good man, a woman must move to him. Is the man must know himself. And if him married and him still want reciprocate and reason with a fame card, but she say she not busy about the wife. She not busy if him there with somebody. If the man respond to her, she can work with it. But the idea is that from a woman, she a good man, and she want him, she must go take him over. Why you say about that?
The man really and truly for know himself. I mean, she can't help for herself, but see a good man. She not going to just look on a man and say, yeah, he married or whatever.
I'm asking you if the woman knows that the man married, like in this case.
Oh, no, man. Sometimes some people for bill. Like...
What?
No, sometimes if you see a married man, you know...
No, but they would argue that, yeah, me know I'm married and whatever, and thing, but him for know himself, because if him married, still married, I have 4 people with his wife and whatever, and she communicates, she like him and him a move to her. She said, I don't feel her fault, you can't blame her. What you have to say about her?
I don't have nothing to say.
You don't have nothing to say about her? What is it, Jen?
I take him, you know.
Yeah.
The thing left careless with that.
I'm married. What you say? You take him?
Yes.
From the man I respond, you take him.
Yes.
You take him.
Yeah.
What you say, Karen? What you say?
I watch TV.
Yeah, okay. To the phone lines. We're going to go to the phone line. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Raga.
Whoa.
You know, say, the girl that were calling and saw about, say, people, man, a bright, and mate, a wife, this a call, I'm going to deal with mate thing.
Oh, okay.
My man good up, and no girl can get my man. So I don't know what some girl feel like that idiot girl, man, alone, them can say, come and know what I can do for all my man.
Okay, so if a woman a move to your man, and you know, say, your wife, and you see a woman a move to him, and she a move to him good, and you know who that woman is, what you da do?
Raga, me a lick a girl in her face, straight for protect my man.
You gonna lick a girl in her face straight for
lick her in her face. I want me a war for him because him a good as Raga.
So
me know that.
You say if you have a good man, you as a woman not to sit back and say, well, the man for know himself, you know. You
Raga,
as a...
me I tell you, my man know himself, you know.
No, what I'm saying, what may I ask you? Well, what you're saying is if you have a good man, I and him locking everything, seal up and thing, and you know say a good man this. The type of good man we hard to find. And the next girl are rolling and know say you there with the man, know who you be, and still a step to the man and a move to him wicked. You say you prepare for lick her for her face if she know the thing set and a violate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Karaga, me and my man go enough time and him stand up there. And I know a girl look on him and walk off and my man look on her and say, listen to me, my wife there, that's how you feel like. No. And at that time I rate him and that time I got married him and I big him up.
Okay.
I big him up, Raga, because man shot out there.
Call up him name and big him up. Call up him name and big him up if you want.
Big up Kirk Senior, my man, no other girl not have him and me at loud and proud of wife this, my love him.
Why him name Kirk Senior?
Yeah?
Kirk Senior.
Yeah.
Okay, well, where Kirk Senior?
I love him.
Where you call from, man?
I work my day in Raga.
Work it out. But which area you live in, also? Which area you live in?
Him live in a vineyard zone, Raga. Vineyard zone, him live.
Okay, and you live where? You live where? Nannyville?
Raga, never only power for God, but me I tell a girl, any girl try to step to that man there or work, I know him at turn her back and she gonna get a next rope from me.
Okay.
And me say wire, and I get that in her face.
Are you say wire?
Yes.
When you beat girl, you beat girl with wire?
Yeah.
Okay, wire.
And choke her, kill her, everything.
No, you can't say them things up on the radio. Yeah. All right, then. Now, blessings here. You can't imagine somebody get beaten with wire. Yo, that must wicked, yo. I get beaten with wire. Bag of wire. To the phone line, good afternoon.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, Raga, big up, man.
Yes, sir.
First time caller.
All right, Papa.
Every day listener.
All right, Papa.
Yeah, man. Like the program there, you know.
All right.
Yeah, me a lady say a thing there, but I say she just take a man and just send back home a man. Me rate that thing there, you know.
Oh, you rate your currency?
Yeah.
Your currency, just use him and send him home. So why you rate that?
No, me just love the words when she speaks still, you know.
Oh, you love the word when she speaks?
Yeah.
Sound like it do something for you, like you don't want to get her attack or something, no?
No, me don't want to fall down and trap the rag.
You don't want she use you and send you home?
No, but I want to keep her home. You want to keep her home.
And you want to keep her home and something like that?
Yeah, one out of the two.
But you sound like somebody you could have managed.
Yes, man.
Okay, all right then. Because she one of them woman there, you can't be no idiot man around her.
No, Raga, no idiot man is a man.
Okay, yeah.
I'm listen to your program already. I just love the program. I just enjoy, you know.
All right, Papa. Now say a word.
And gain strength every day.
Manners and respect, man.
Every time, Raga. Just keep it going here.
Blessings, my king. Protection. All righty, then. Bunks and next call. If you bunks and next call, good afternoon. In-law mix-up or any other mix-up. In-law mix-up or any... Hello, what's up?
May I call about the girl just call and say she a wife and me a wife too. And guess what, Raga? Any girl I got fight her next girl for a man, she don't have no use. Because when you have the good up, your man have to stick to you.
Well, and what is a good up? What is a good up?
God know, Raga, me have the sort out proper.
Oh, so you say come down to the sort out?
Yes, Raga. So you have to know if you take care of your man, both sort out and every other way. My man, when he work, money comes straight home. You not have to go nowhere else.
Okay.
You not have to think about nobody else.
Okay. So you are say, based on your sort out and how you take care of your man, I know you dash out your something and quint it pan him and mad him and all them thing there. Based on how I know you take care of him. You say you not have to fight no girl for him because you have him locked.
Okay. No girl. Because I got it locked like that.
Okay, so you
some of them need to take
you agree with Lexus, song? Picking a old man again. And a old man again. I didn't all I do it, I didn't all I do. You agree with that song?
Yes.
Okay. So that's all your man right now?
Raga takes everything to hold my man and no girl no got that.
Okay. So in other words, basically I say no woman out there better than you now. That you say.
That's right.
You're saying no woman out there good
no
in other words, good like you.
My man.
Your man. So in other words, when it comes to your man, you're the best thing him can ever find.
Right.
Lisa Anna couldn't take away your man.
Not even that.
Portia Simsimila couldn't take away your man. Not even she. Jennifer in the studio couldn't take away your man.
None of them.
Karen couldn't take away your man.
None of them. I don't got what I got it locked.
You got it locked and your thing better than for them, don't?
May I tell you?
Okay. You don't believe in what?
Going by the road.
Wait, so what you mean by that?
I'm going to be able to take care of picking them.
Okay, how much youth you have?
4 boys.
4 boys, so you're a responsible mother, you don't have time for no heap of Gulliver and thing like that. Okay.
Right.
So you and the gentleman that take care of the 4 boys, right?
Yes, brother.
Okay, love and respect. Then you not go church and them something? You not go church and them something?
Yeah, man, I go church, man. I go church. Okay. So you don't know where I go?
All right, a blessings, man. All right?
All right, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Rota, mix up one. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Raga?
Yes.
All right, Raga, you see the girl we called before and said, the people get beaten with the wire?
Yeah.
Right, Raga, I say, where Kingston come from, you know?
Yeah.
Near your place, around this one, a dancing place, you know?
Yeah.
I say, Raga, about 3 years ago, one little girl, you know, the time she was 17 and her mother entertain her with man, you know. I sleep with man, you know.
Yeah.
She know one of the man house, gone mash up the man place, the man she mash up the man place. Man no while like when she come her yard, the man that's gone, you know, the fan blade them, the belt. Where the fan spin pan.
Yeah, the belt, yeah.
But said, Raga, the man just give her some liquid it. Yes, when her mother come in, you know, your mother go come in and say, no, you can't let me go outside, you know. Raga, all the mother start get licked too.
He might beat the woman who him there with the mother come in and the mother talk up and him just start beat.
All the mother start.
And him start beat the mama too.
Me say the mother, because she know cops, yes, because the man catch her with the next man. Raga, the man just start get her barely could the fan belt too. Barely can step out. You know, system got them time the way you can go talk to a little one man and you know.
Yeah, I want to know who the man is on them part. Yeah. Who at that time? Yeah.
Them time there.
Yeah.
She got make complaints to the man beat her and beat her mother. Raga. The man then go say, I'm going to call the man things too. You come talk about you want back right and tell her.
What them tell her for do?
Them tell her for them run and tell her for go about her business. Come and know where she come from. You go mash up the man place. So the man beat you a year, man. The man come pay back. The man have the time for that. Raga. And the time they beaten. So they get pants up at the man. Them tell her beaten.
See it there. Violation.
Yeah,
Not say a word.
You can't get beaten with them something, rather.
Great fan bell, that must have, you know. But not say a word. West Kingston to the world. Here, large up yourself, all right?
I'm going to big up my mother every day, so listen, you know.
Not say a word, man. Large up.
Big up Sophia, big up my friend Kim.
All right. No, we don't want you to go. You see it. Oh, that's why we don't want you to go in. Your mother ain't see a God in a one bag or something. But blessings here. All right. Yo, people, and do remember, say later, Dan Phipps and the Talk About Family, I kick off the sitting again, you know. Dan Phipps and the Talk About Family, talk about corner rinse later. So all Eagles roll out. Seeing Ricky and all the whole family, seeing Pernell Charles Arcade, and everybody, Dan Phipps and the whole crew, Dan Phipps and the whole crew, again, talk about this evening. Make sure on a dead talk about build back for West Kingston, everything levels here now, and sitting, make sure it's on a roll out. Talk about corner, Charles Street and Bond Street, West Kingston. I don't know, so the safety thing lock off. I saw the thing said, Dan Fritzy, I'm a link for life, them for no. And we not take back them chat, then no turn back talk around here. True thick and thing, Debbie Burbs, and the way you there large up yourself. Adapt me say, Percy Street, West Kingston, Raga, rate tunnel like that. Counter left me out and always ready for defend me. All of my West Kingston link them. Pinkley and everybody, large up for yourself. Talk about corner, look more. Thursday night, Charles Street and Bond Street. I war, soon forward. Yeah, Arisa Mixup, Ragashanti in the building, that would be me. I would have an in-law mix-up, mix-up by your brother-in-law, mix-up by your sister-in-law, mix-up by your poopa-in-law, mix-up by your mama-in-law, mix-up by your friend-in-law, mix-up by anybody who working at the area of law. That means that I'm in the law, right, Johnny? Yeah, big up Johnny in the building, the Prince of Mix-Up, and of course DJ Chris Cross there, the two technical operator, them were lock it, Richard Rainford and Rowan there. Root to the Q to the producer there, of course, Michelle Belly, Patty Belly there, Jennifer there, Karen there, and of course, and not surprising, Michelle I take picture. All right. And we're not allowed to use certain words on air. But it's in the context of what I'm about to say, it's not offensive. But Chris Cross is one of Chris Cross's name for Michelle is that she is a picture war. Chris Cross says that she's a picture war. Chris Cross says, you are such a picture war. And think, what a girl if you take picture and sit. And so he thinks it, you know. And we have fun and enjoyment and entertainment, the tambourine there. Everything is everything, large upon itself. In-law mix-up with upon any other sample mix-up on have a warrants. We're going to juggle the call them till about the next 20-25 minutes. Then we want DJ Chris Cross come play our party. And do remember that tomorrow is our last show for 2010. Oh, our last show for 2010 tomorrow. So we're going to make it a bumper show indeed. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
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 Are you there, Raga?
A cheer.
Oh. Mo want big up my good up, Mother Nadine. And see me and Peach is my auntie.
Yeah.
Go and big up yourself and enjoy your show, you see me?
And that's a call for doing that, yes, so not. You see it, and you tell root lie. That one I like, you see how you violate. Yeah, we don't want any big up right now. We can't allow up the show, so. Right? We cannot allow up the show, so. We must listen to it. If we say we don't want a body call just to get big up, and that we want. We want to not be the thing. And don't bother disrespect the thing and violate the thing, all right? Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How about my link?
My day, you know?
Yeah, I have a little problem when you help me sort out, man, because...
Okay, here.
Like, you know?
Yeah.
All right, me have this baby mother, she have a youth for me, seeing so, obviously. So it's like, she hold on for the youth and say, when I talk to her, me not go see the youth.
If you not talk to her, you're not going to see the
youth?
You are not left?
No, we break up about 2 years now.
And what she want you to do? They back with her?
Some kind of way, because it's like, she did come got court for you, because she want me to look after the youth, because from him born, you see it, and me to look after him.
Yeah.
So she came got court and... But they kind of win the case. So instead of to take the youth alone, it's like, I say joint custody. See?
Yeah.
Because it's like, a youth and you have to look out for the youth.
What should the carry go court for?
So, me don't want her to see you. Because it's true, me used to avoid her.
Yeah.
Because she do something and, you know, she violates her now, yeah.
If you don't mind, you don't want to share, what should they do?
Alright, it's a girl where she da keep a hold for man, because, you know?
Yeah. So she did keep that man with you then?
She did keep that man with me. And it's like, me so be because it's true, the youth there and, you know, after a while it's like, because show me and some police in that thing, you know, say, yo, let's go and make it go on, because I don't know woman set me. You see me, I say?
Yeah. She did that take police too? She did that take police too?
Me not hear.
She did that there with police too?
Yeah, man.
Oh, see it?
So that I just say, yo, let go that and she just steal, she don't me steal, me see it?
So what she really want from you now?
It's like, me do it on your friend, you know.
You do what?
Your friend call and talk about me pan thing one time.
Pan what?
Pan your program.
Oh, well, when you say you're there with one of my friend?
Yeah, and I have a friend on Facebook, man.
Oh, you're there with one of my friend off of Facebook?
Yeah, what the beef from, me didn't want to know the things, let's say, but it's like, certain ways. So too, every time I there with a decent girl, it's like that girl I push up her and say, boy.
Well, the friend where you there from Facebook, she live a foreign?
Yeah.
I don't say a word.
Alright, no say nothing then. So it's like, you know, so it makes a boom bang and it's like, even what it is like, I me forget you because my mother started sending her back to school.
You want me to call her now?
No, man, me tell you something, not even worried, me not say to her, man.
Oh, no, but me say you want me call her now?
You don't have her number, you know.
Oh, you don't have her number? Wait.
No, me no.
You don't have your baby mother number?
Nah, man. See, man. Me cut people, you know.
So when she call you, she don't call you with fear? Her number not sure?
Nah, man, me change up my number, them.
Oh, okay. See it.
Me move certain ways, see it.
So big and serious, you know, like, what the next move for you?
It's like, me I try to find out, what you think, how you think, cause it's like, she not about and the youth, they for go to school and thing, and me feel it for him, cause him a feel it, is it?
What you mean, she not about?
She start go back to school, man.
She start go back to school?
Yeah, cause my mother did kind of look out and
so what the youth there? What the youth there?
I think her father, me said that of him. I just hear me and hear things, but not really.
No, but you don't know nothing what going on. You don't know nothing what going with the youth.
Yo, that girl that try to kill me, you know.
What you mean try to kill you? Like,
set up police to try to kill me, you know.
Oh, for real? That's how it's serious?
Police coming at my house and back all gun, but certain levels, you see, because it's to move certain way. Certain big people that hear it and it come over, so everybody start here and move to them. You see it before they even squeeze out. Tell us the gun on my chest.
On a level like that, man?
Yeah, you see it. So if you understand, not even hold it, for sure, so I change up on my number, them. You see it.
Oh, okay. So is it that you want more contact with your youth then?
Yeah, more than one of the youth, I mean, I have to say nothing to her, but it's like everybody should talk to her, say, boy, me have to talk back to her. Me and she have to talk back to me, I say the youth.
No, you don't have to deal with somebody if you don't want to deal with somebody.
No, man, I talk like to talk, not even to talk, because I see me and she start talk back, it's a be where anytime I break it off with her, she start back with a little bit, she come at the gate, then she come on the veranda, then she not the hall, then she move to another room, is it? Because she have the youth is that she gets certain hold of her mother rate her.
Oh, your mother rate her?
Yeah, because first granny, you know, so.
Okay. You know, it sounds to me like, in terms of the dynamics were involved, this is just as how the court did set certain conditions with joint custody. The court can actually set the details of the interaction, you know. The court can actually do that, you know. The court can say, this is how you going to remain in contact and support with the child as a father. This is how you going to do it as the mother. And, the court, if the court feels that we enough to talk to one another, the court can actually set the way on a deal with it to make sure that both are full continue to fulfill their responsibilities and don't have to be in contact. In fact, it is not uncommon for parents in divorce proceedings and separation proceedings to go to the court and ask the court and to make a case and say, given the dynamics that exist where we have a volatile relationship and we just cannot get along, and it always lead to violence and so forth. We're asking you, and I want to remain in contact with my child. I'm asking the court to establish the following conditions. Now, you may present some conditions, and the court may say, okay, we're not going to do it that way, or the court are going to hear both sides of the story. But the point is, the courts, that it is not uncommon for people to make these requests, and the court...
well, I'm sure you have it. Like, you see what you say?
Yeah.
I go to all that. Come even there, said the judge, the magistrate said, you me no want a reach for me and she have to interact. So we put a social worker, a CDA agent, on the case.
Yeah.
And is that the B get to the CDA agent was necessary. Cause, should I work it out away with my cousin and there. But is that the girl eliminate the cousin out that come and set away with me and she have to talk, cause me this the terms,
Yeah, so who eliminate the cousin out there? The social worker?
Eliminate the cousin out there because the cousin's supposed to be the third party, So she tell the cousin, say, yo, let go that she just can't come left him. But
your baby mother do that? Your baby mother do that? While the court already established her established a cousin as a third party?
No, the court never established a cousin. What they do is that they get the CDA agent. So it's like a one appointment they get with the CDA.
Well, here we're not alright. We have to go bung some other card. But here you need to just get back the court to set it. And whenever she try flip it and change it for you, which based on what you say about her, she's likely to do, and so forth. You just say no, hold it, and if anything, just play it by. You see with them something where you explain, play it by the book, Papa. Trust me upon that one. Play it by the book. Because I'm going to make a statement now, it's going to sound controversial. You see, with these matters, you see, with these matters, 9 times out of 10, the instinct is to go in at the woman's favor. Right? Because when all a woman start balling all them something.
Everybody want to hold me to get the whole of the youth them way because you see me as a
Yeah. Well, that is the point. If the court if you did win the case or whatever, it means that she probably a rule certain way. But trust me, you need to go back to the courts with that one there, yeah? Let's say a word, yeah?
Alright, no done.
Alright, Papa, bless him. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon, hello.
Bless up, Dr. Ragashanti.
Manners and respect, what's up?
Boy, trust me, I'm man of your own nature. Burglar like, you don't know, big up the thing.
All right, Papa.
Trust me, you give me health and strength every day.
All right,
Papa. Going through my work every day. Because I deal with the danger part of work out there. You deal with that line.
All right. Yeah.
I remember me tell you, say, my earphone will come out of my ears, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, my earphone will come out of my ears, man, because that's something you get to go through the day. Right now, I'm man of 56, becoming like a 16 year old.
All right, Papa, that's the word, man.
So you see the therapy why you ask the people out there, brother?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
What we say, laugh and grow.
Laugh, learn, and grow.
Laugh, learn, and grow. That means, say, no, for a doctor, them good want to get rid of your sooner. Because somebody not go to doctor again,
All right, Papa, bless.
Bless him, yeah?
That's our word, man. Protection. All right, send on some mix-up now. Send on some mix-up. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings.
Yeah, what one, Raga?
And there you know.
Big up yourself. I'm not calling about an in-law mix-up. I can't see if I can answer that question, yeah. Why when the man them have good woman them play all kind of games and walk up and down pan people hearts?
How you go through now? Talk to Uncle Raga.
Raga, I'm go through all of that already, so I don't deserve no more. And me say stamp and go and don't leave a name. Some boy come like the movie name Terror in the night. That's a aunt people say Raga.
Well, on, what you say? Are you say stamp and go and don't leave your name?
Yes, Raga.
What you mean? You know a love thing with no man or anything?
Raga, I can't bother with that. I'm go through that already. I deserve better right now.
So what you say? You're a motorite and a stamp and go and don't leave your name. But it sound like, what that mean? You use man?
No, Raga, I don't use people.
But why you no second down thing?
I'm not sticking plaster thing for go back to where I come from again. I can't bother with that.
Okay, so what the nature of your relationship now? When you talk to a man, what level it depend?
What level it depend?
Yeah.
Again, I hear me say it depend. I say stamp and go and don't leave no name.
No, but what I say, what that mean? What the exchange? Once two people interact, some kind of exchange that for go. And you have to give him something, him have to give. What the exchange? What the exchange?
Yeah, I'm afraid that for go deep in things again.
Yeah.
It's like anytime I date somebody I mingle with them have a tendency to feel like them either go. You understand? I wonder
what you mean? Like them are mad?
Yeah, I'm gonna know what Raga.
So every man you there with, after a while, they look like them start get mad.
Raga, 4 man ever there, every man not Raga.
Well, 4 man you ever there with. Yes, so the 4 man them you're there with, at some point, each of them look like them are go mad.
Raga, anytime I start eat this, them I say no.
Oh, anytime you say you left them?
Yeah, them I say no. And from me, turn out my big no, it's like I tell her, says, like, you ever watch a movie named Terror in the Night?
Okay. So, well, let me ask you too.
Yeah.
Are some hardcore man you there with do, don't?
Yeah, Raga, but I don't have no time for look back at no spill milk and no spoil.
No, but me ask you straight up. If a hardcore man you there with, then a hardcore man go on when woman want left them, that are nothing new.
Raga, that's why I can't bother. I don't with
No,
that.
then what me I say is, then those don't there with hardcore man if you can't deal with them.
What kind of man me for that, Raga?
So it's hardcore man you make you get excited out of them you like.
Raga, I really like excitement, not me I run down, because me say excitement. I mean, I'm chocolate, the one with no milk. No.
Yeah, you name chocolate, the one with no milk. But when me I ask you, I want you tell me straight up and thing, right?
Yeah.
Don't the type of man them what you like in terms of how you interact with and stuff. You like your man them kind of rough certain way, don't it? Talk it through.
Not really. I like I stay a good man where know themselves when a girl can walk up and down upon them door. I have to don't know so from them set the image I have to work along with it and don't violate.
Yeah, but what me I say, if you there with 4 man and the 4 man them when you left them, the 4 of them start go hard against you, then you will pick that type of man there.
Raga, I never get that impression that at first. I feel say it have something to do with me. I don't know what I do.
Yeah.
If I go left or right too hard or center too easy, but I never get that impression.
No, but of course it have something to do with you. You will pick them and them man there, you pick for them because I know say other man look here, you know, there with them other man there. The one them way,
can't take that.
no, but the one them where you pick at them always end up a behave the same way. So.
I pick them after a chance.
No, but you see, you still not think out the thing, whatever. You just give me poetry.
No, me I think out the thing, but listen.
No, me said the 4 man. But that is nothing new, darling. Everybody go through that. You meet somebody and you see certain qualities, and then after a while, you start to know them. See me, I can't live with me at 2 different something. That's not nothing new. Eh?
What am I do?
Probably you need to go slower now. And take your time for really know somebody before you say you're gone over. And when them start talking in the first month or 2 or whatever, you don't run in. I'm going to say your man or whatever. And go and pray them. And even if you feel like if the person deserve a look at that short and sort out, you go and work with them but make them know say, yo, it's still not there so. Because you go and watch your runnings.
I try to see if it works.
Yeah, man, try that. And sometimes, you know, some man do. Just say, yo, me and you can power, you know. And me reach a point to do something, you know. But me not going to know if me go there with you till I like 5-6 months. You can't juggle with that. And that's some man do, you know. And give themselves some time.
Yeah.
And when the man them try to flip it after 2 months, he said, no, but me tell you.
Yeah.
So if you want to leave, me tell you, me and you not there right, I know. You understand?
Yeah.
All right?
But I don't feel comfortable. I don't know what the woman them are going to do without you. Because without you, we don't have a counselor.
No, say a word, man. A blessing. See ya?
Yourself, yeah.
Manners and respect.
I got.
Okay. All right, we need some. What kind of you say, Pana, man? What make sense?
Yeah, man, you tell her the right thing.
Yeah, because no, she happy. Hey, me always you get home. Me not no luck with man. Me not no luck with man. Me don't know what's up. Me always attract the old dirty kuba. But at them I pick them man there. Because when the other man them pick them say, that's we can't bother with him. Him too nice. Him too soft. We can't just this and that. Then them pick the terrible one them and them I pick them. So if you've been picking a certain type of man and you're getting unhappiness with it, don't it make sense that you pick a different type of man? Yeah. Or don't run in for the next man where you pick too quick, right?
Yeah. Straight, man.
What me feel she need to do is just change up some of her things, change up some of her style. If she dress her weird, probably dressing makes she attract certain man.
Attract certain man, see?
Yeah, her attitude, or she just keep low for about 2-3 months.
No, but you see some women go and say, nah, I want just me feel nice when I dress that way, I feel. After me a young girl, me not old man, you know, they make them argument there.
Well, she go in it then.
She go always attract them type of man then. But the point I make it, for example, if she makes some adjustment in the way she attire herself, perhaps she'll be attracting a different type of man who is just as manly too.
Yeah.
And I don't know, idiot or whatever, but perhaps now.
But I know who she see now, who see she.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because she might see them type of man there and say, yeah, I want them man there, but the good man that she want now, she not see them because she turn a blind eye.
Exactly.
On them man there.
Yeah. So I think so. No must fear, brother.
Me I tell you to the girl like you want to take my man and I'm a sister-in-law.
But why? What she do make you feel that though? What she do?
Me I tell you now, if I me and the man married,
yeah.
The girl not like him, and I know why. She not like it.
But there's must a reason why you and her have.
Me not Raga, let me tell you something. You have some kind of inline, you have some like you and some like you, but you see a girl there, she don't like me none at all.
What she do for them and straight? What she do? What the things them what she do? What she do?
All right. One day, I'm in my yard, you know.
Eh.
And the girl come back in the yard, you know. You're the girl. Hey, that girl, I can kill a dog, and I can kill a dog. I'm going to answer the girl in the Raga. And the girl still, I say, you girl, and then when we go down, I said, I cannot let me girl. And the girl come out in the Raga and fling a stone after me in the Raga.
All right, stop right there, sir. Stop right there.
What? And I would have seen blood in the girl's face, and I better look to when I see it in the Raga, for me now, I'm back to the lick in the girl's smoke in the Raga.
What? So you did have a leg on the stone in her face?
So I don't want blood it up in the Raga.
You never want blood up her face, so you just give to her in the stomach.
Yes, I don't want to go to prison if you don't go full, girl.
So you give, so what you do? You give her the stone in her stomach?
I put it in the Raga.
You put it in, and then?
And then the brother come put on the pan it in the Raga.
Then the brother come put it on pan her too?
I tell you in the Raga for the girl want to stop leave me alone, you know. And the girl tell her sister them about me, and then after already sister them come and tell her I have to listen to the girl, you know.
All right.
That's just so she stay in the Raga.
All right, but what on they do? They must, you never do her nothing, you never have the falling out or nothing.
Raga, me don't have nothing at all, nothing. So you see, I'm try to make, like, you know, you try to make talk to her and then something there. You know, like when people ignore you and then something there. As such is here.
All right. The brother younger than her or older than her?
Younger than her.
How much younger?
Probably about 4 years younger.
4 years younger, I think. About how old she is?
Well, probably, I not even know, you know, but I think she's in her 40s.
She in her 40s. Him in her him in her low 40s or late 30s. What you mean?
Oh, the man?
Yeah.
The man in 930, man.
In 930s. All right. No.
930, 36.
So when they say look like she want the man, you just mean, you know what I mean? So she do anything really.
Then Raga, then I must the man she want make she live for me, so you know.
Okay.
Me not trouble her, me not walk against her, me not say nothing at all to the girl, and the girl takes it down on my skin like kicks in a Raga.
Okay. How long now this are going for?
Raga, 14 years since me and the man there.
How
14 years.
How long are you married now?
5 years.
Okay, and she still not accept it yet?
Me not know. The girl does not want it, so.
Okay, all right.
The girl favor wish, and me have one there.
Oh, she favor wish?
Me not know. It come like say the man has take care of me too much.
Okay, she favor wish, and you have round there. What you mean? Your bumper stay right, though?
I tell you.
I want she do. She flat and no shape, but she's a ruler.
She favor wish, me say I didn't sit down in the girl's face to see, man.
You don't want to sit down in her face? You don't really mean sit down in her face. You don't sit down on her chest, no?
I sit down in the face and rub this face, man. Rub it with the ass around there.
Rub it. You didn't want to sit down in her face and rub in her face, no? Yes, man, I get a proper facial.
That me I tell her, man. But he makes better come rolling, you know.
All right. All right, hear me now. You see, you have your husband. You have your husband, and your husband I defend you, and you, your husband, love. Don't make you dry out for go do nothing crazy, and then before you know it, you don't have 4th Augusta prison.
I'm going to love me more, so she'll go dead more.
All right, now, PR, no mind, because you have the good up bumper, and you have the proper prescription to give a girl a facial, so she understand herself.
Me have it in, and the girl grudge me face.
I grudge you, man.
I got you not even know, and I'm going to go to prison.
Don't go to prison for you. We're going to let go, we're going to come here for a quick break and thing, but blessings and respect, yeah?
Yeah, man, cool. Take it easy.
Yeah, man, bless him. Yeah, we're so far. Yeah, Ro, give me about 2 more calls before we make Chris Cross play. Yeah, give me about 2 more calls. Yeah, Ro. Good afternoon, hello.
Raga, wow.
Whoa.
Wow, Raga.
What day you know?
Yeah, man. I call and give 2 mix-up, you know.
Rinse them.
Yeah, hear me now, Raga.
Yeah.
I get away the mix-up, saying?
Yeah.
I have a brethren. I work at Alcan. His name Windalco now, saying?
Yeah.
My brethren, I get married in a Raga.
Uh-huh.
And he never telling people them.
Yeah.
And Raga, the best man go tell the man uncle in a Raga. Yeah, hear me?
Yeah, say him I get married.
Say him I get married.
Uh-huh.
And the uncle go tell The uncle now go to him father and mother Raga. And him father and mother say, what? The uncle has some chuck and thing in a Raga. You know what the uncle do?
What?
The uncle and his son, you know, cut 2 fan belt off a truck man and tractor man. And go to church man. And then wait till the wife a walk in. So when the wife a walk in, Raga, and the man stand up now to meet the wife.
Yeah, in our church, yeah.
In our church.
Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
May I tell you, man, when the man go say I do at that time, them put on the belt on him brown dog, Raga.
Pan the browning, the wife?
Pan him, man. Pan the husband.
Pan the husband?
Pan the husband, man.
Well, so them go in at the church and when him both because say I do, them start whap him up with the belt.
Start whap him, man. His uncle and his cousin whap him.
Because them say I'm wicked him wicked figure and I'm married that I make them know.
Yeah.
So them bust up him what's it that
clot, Raga.
Hey, no, we're good. Clot
Raga.
is okay. It's a Jamaican word. Yeah.
Them bust him in a Raga. The man run from the church in a Raga. Go pass one place named Barnstable and run go 1 mile straight in a Raga.
When they lick them a Canuck and nine clot, don't you?
Raga. I tell you say the something there, the jacket just has stretch out.
Yo,
Raga.
somebody that near you with radio and with them need for
Raga.
leave. Yo!
Yeah, me hear you.
Me say somebody that near you with radio and I want to hear it.
Turn it down, man. The jacket.
No, tell them to move with it. Move with it,
man.
All right, yeah.
The jacket just stretch out, sir. Raga.
Yeah.
The man buy up in gold.
Yeah.
The man buy up in everything, Raga. The man don't taste nothing in Raga.
You don't taste none of gold?
None of the champagne, none of the whiskey, Raga.
So what them do with all of that after?
The woman drink it to them with our family. Them.
Well, didn't them they get for married her?
Married her, Raga. The man go away small and go hide for 2 months, man.
Well, then I'm hide from him family for I'm afraid of them like them.
Afraid of them like...
Yo, if me are married, I don't want certain... If me don't want my relative that they think them can't come out, them come beat me in my wedding.
Raga,
I'm worried of that, mama. You mad? If me have a reason why me don't want some of my relative them they are my wedding, they think them can't come war me in that.
Raga, you hear me now?
Yeah.
I have a virgin, you say?
Yeah.
Well, one doctor.
Yeah.
He say you have ulcer, saying?
Yeah.
And go to the doctor, and the doctor tell him say you have ulcer. And it a ripe up and thing. Raga, you know what the man do?
What?
The man go at town, you know. Valley Royal, you know, Raga.
Yeah. Don't I go club there?
Yeah. And the man go nyam chop suey, you know, Raga.
And go nyam chop suey, don't I Valley Royal. What are they? Tambourine! Man, go Pally Royal down at the go club, go nyam chop suey. Love them code there. I saw you for code up the thing, yeah. And then what?
The man nyam chop suey.
Yeah.
The man go nyam saltfish the next night, you know.
Okay,
And then go back a doctor 3 days after, you know. And Raga, he said to the doctor, I said, check me up, man, for, you know, he no feel no pain or nothing. Yeah, why doctor tell him that, Raga?
Why doctor tell him?
The doctor said to him, say, continue doing what you're doing because you're getting vitamin C, vitamin E, eat chop suey and saltfish.
Okay. Well, so does that mean that eating is good for eating that thing is good for your ulcer?
Eating that thing is good. It cures ulcer.
It cures your ulcer. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right, let's say a word here.
Raga, one big up all dog and Spraga Benz, yeah?
All right, large up, man. Blessings.
Raga, if you come to a show, I'm on the blue now.
All right, Papa, let's say a word here.
Cool, my brother.
Yeah, man, cool. Last call, Ruthie, last call. Oh, okay, we're good. No more call. Pepper, Jennifer, Karen, and thing, parting words. What are going on,
Oh, my brother sent me a text a while ago.
Yeah.
And I know him don't listen to the show. When I listen to that, and him say, Karen, have you done credit girl call Raga? And big up Lazy Boy, Fan Wall, AC Wall, big up on yourself, JUTC.
We have to mixup.com.
You know, I'm not over there really. I sign up and then I can't get back in. The gate locked.
All right, we'll sort that out. All right. And thank you for bringing back my iPhone.
Okay. Kedisha, I can't find Raga iPhone case and I wonder if you take it up.
What the case there? Kedisha thief it?
No, last night she did and I take off the case, you know, because I tell herself a glass of front and glass of back.
On the phone?
Yeah. I'm not see the case from she gone.
Then, I saw Ked Steve my
and
phone.
it can't hold on a 3G phone, so I don't know.
Yo, Ked, you're a big man. You're a big man, kid. And you know, say you're not all kind of precker, but the last thing you want to do now is for go thief my phone case and make me go know about it. So, me I tell the whole of Jamaica and the whole of the world, right? Anyone who go on kid's while and tell her to return the phone case. Return the phone case, right? Else we're going to talk up the things them. We're going to talk up the things them. And don't take my phone case and go give your friend Tantan. You understand? Right? Because Tantan have a different case for sure deal with, right? Tantan have a bigger case for sure try, right? You know? You understand? Everything is there. So, Pepper Mouth Jennifer, wait, Karen, you put a whole heap of something up on the phone, man.
The world.
But hold on, if I update it, do all of them things come out?
Can't put it back in a jiffy, man.
All right, let's say a word there. I'll shut it here. Pepper Mouth Jennifer, what you say?
Yeah. I feel hungry.
What? Yeah, what?
Oh, yeah, burger. We did for tell a burger and chicken.
You feel hungry. You feel hungry. So, who are going to buy the food?
Who are going to shop?
No, I will look a person when we send for shopping.
No, they know I'm applying for you. I want to usher.
Yeah.
You must send them. Look like usher
can't send them. No, because we like it. Can you bring back change?
No, it's all right.
We like sending for shop. Can you bring back change?
No, me all right.
No, change. You don't get the change trophy already. You don't get the change. You see your head?
No, don't do it, Raga. Don't do it.
No, you see your head.
Don't do it. Make Karen tell me that.
No, Michelle. By size, like the size head where me have for my body, plus the size head where you have for your body. By proportion, your head bigger than mine.
My head no big, man.
My head not big, my fire just broke her.
Your head up like that. Your head
my
big.
head not big, my fire just
broke. You never hear everything a while ago. It's mad, you know.
I fart broad.
No, you never hear. You never hear everything. Let me repeat what she said. My head not big, my fire just broad, cause me mix. When people can't create excuse, and of course I have a broad fried and mix. Okay.
Right.
The question is she a broad fried mix with one, mix with human and cow?
Alright. Let me just say this time out. Just wish all my fans and friends Happy New Year and thanks for all the love.
Jennifer, you know I'm a king of mix up, no?
Yeah.
Karen, you know I'm a king of mix up, no?
Not really, no.
Are you aware that boys are on a tongue, boy?
Lord, Jesus.
It's just a question.
Big up, Biggie.
Is this where we change the subject?
Right.
Moving right along.
That's how I was saying, because I don't want nobody to come kill me. Fanwal, AC wall. Fanwal, I have to call you Suki.
Yeah.
Solid. Jai.
No, that's not a Fanwal.
AC wall.
She do AC wall and me do fan wall.
You make all the tongue thing all and make me nervous.
The tongue thing make you nervous?
Yeah.
That's an interesting statement. The tongue thing
make you nervous. I'm in tongue bolt.
That man!
Tia Shanti, Barbie Shanti, Scorpion King will make kill. Big up yourself.
Yeah, no, you don't. No, and Anthony Samuels.
Also. Yeah, excellent.
Good up, Shani.
Maxi good ass.
Yeah. You the AC one now.
Alright.
What you know now?
So many names. Anyway, big up everybody.
No, you have
Tishana, Marsha, Kedisha, Tantan, Solid, Joy, Sheena, the new girl Sheena she go hard.
No, you have to big up my Suki, you know.
Suki, Mr. Suki.
Susu.
Well, Mad head Suki.
Out of Canada. Yeah.
Susu out of Canada.
And Elemak.
Yo, I'm going to big up a Mixup here, people. I'm going to big up Sugar Body. I'm going to big up Rosemary. Katie Goodas. Sextoy. And all them people over mixupyard.com.
Wayne.
Oh, Lord.
I'm just want to big up my mother.
Hey, man, when I know it's a Mixup come to me, you know.
Jesus.
When I know a Mixup come to me. Them just come to me. Okay, first of all, I just want to say, big up to the woman, the very famous woman who have a little man down what you call it, Waterhouse. And she me just get in my inbox and she always drop him off in a different vehicle. But when she go down, they go do work, she drive other vehicle, but she have different the people and read the play and see what go on. But the boy I walk and attack the things them for him hold it down.
Somebody in the media?
Yeah, she's in media all the time, yeah.
Well, big up Dennis Lee and Ingrid then.
Alright. And big up Keds because since Keds come down there.
Raga, you see the picture?
Yeah, man, big up Keds because since Keds come down there, we get the mix up, you know. She has been quite active in her extracurricular activities. And boy, kids, you love the wall, so. That's all me I go say. Hey, kids, you love the wall, so. You love the wall, so, kids.
Big up Wayne?
Yeah, big up Wayne. Yeah, man, big up Wayne. Why you big up Wayne right now?
No.
Is there a reason why you big up Wayne right now?
I can't big up Albany too.
Big up my friend Albany. Yeah.
Me say me get the met, but me I say alive. Me get the met and me I say alive for real. And the person I say no, because me know who they there. And then me start asking about a question and me I say no, sir. No, kids. We keep it real. Y'all go hard. But anyway, to each his own.
I can do a big up?
Yeah.
Big up my mother. She a try bake a banana cake with her one hand.
Yeah.
Big up herself.
Okay.
And big up my brother them.
Yeah.
And big up my friend them. I mean, my friend from England, Jalisa.
Big up Al Bundy, Nail Designs
and
again.
Daniel.
The people them over sales ask about why me I call up your name. So also, me have to go try to be myself now. And do remember to talk about later on Bond Street and Charles Street. Talk about corner, arrange later on and thing. Big up AC Wall, Fanwall, Mixup.com and the world. Jennifer, talk up.
Before them kill me, yeah. Big up Queen Bee.
Before everybody kill you, man.
Yeah, I'll be inbox me again. Queen Bee, Felicia. Rusty Omar, Chisel, Rattle. everybody, I love her to death.
All right, yeah. Well, as a respect for the rolling and thing and whatever.
And big up a million, come on, y'all listen.
Bam.
And big up Kia Osborne.
And big up Cardell Green.
Yeah, big up Professor Upton
Dunn.
Big up Bruce.
Glasses man.
Yeah, big up Cliff Hughes. Big up. Tomorrow last show, you know.
And big up the police who say, do not
for the ear,
go into the water.
Do not go into the water.
Like him. Hey, Raga, you know, so the man say, you want to pass a law, like, if you get caught with your phone talking on your phone, you get charged. That no bother. Yeah. What the man say, if you're not talking on the phone, and search your vehicle and find a phone.
If you're not talking by your phone.
But if them search your vehicle and find a phone, you can't get charged. You want that in effect.
Yeah, so
I'm happy to say to him.
Yeah, so you're not supposed to even drive with a phone in your car.
I don't understand him, but I tell him, do not go into the water.
Do not go into the water. Leave the water alone. DJ Crisscross. Everything is everything, man. Blaze out.
Whoa, no. Answer! This is the Davises. This is Beanie Man alongside
the Angel.
Representing for
Ragashanti.
Yeah. Come on, let's move it, auntie.